Odofo me makwaba edeba Adom TV. Dwumadie we eye nkranhyensem emre adwumadie. Me am tidwamu amede dwumadie ho chia me edin amje so eye Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. Me da sepa se wode wafidi ato a. Ma me no mienu nkambo mu ne yemfa na asesoronko emma ne wosoro agenkwa no na yenka se papa ye da wase. Se woni ade ne yie. Wadom ntine ete ase je wo na ase. Waka me da ase. And this is the second part of the factory of life. So much you say, and you may be a Ubian or baby, I know. But watch our bo. Me lens a Michelle, Matadi a Michelle, your baby, I know. Was so a brabono or factory. Now, no, sometimes need to go better than some brabo factory. And a junior or junior. If you lose your job, if your marriage is threatened, if things are not going right, you will say that things are not going to be easy. Say, Ebia, what you must say, and I won't hear you, Mayo. And now I worry to see, and my who do any, and I encourage you in fear more. Says, Casamaya Bassa, the Ayata can say, ye, with the news you, with the Mebreu, better than my Jumafro, better than my warrior ye, sans some water catch it a one. Ebemu amount. What you think you get. Nyawunya hunu say, whatever you hold in your soul, adebia edore okra no, ebawa brabum. Whatever you hold in your soul becomes products that you produce in your life. Your soul is made up of your thoughts, your emotions, and your willpower. Whatever you hold in your soul, you manifest and you achieve it, good or bad. And the emra woka say enye easy, enye na say who produce so no. Your fears and thoughts of not going to have it easy might be true. Oh, say me suro say enko ye na be no kre. But kai hunu say adwuma bi abonte na obetimi anya. Kai hunu say aware papa bi wa obetimi anya. Ka won se abrabo wa ba betime bu ka won se mpunche bu o de mawo na ka won se abrabo ba emre ko se obadwena adwenpa no adwen safata ho. Never lose hope. When your marriage is down, don't lose hope. When you don't have any work to do, don't lose hope. When things are difficult, don't lose hope. Your thoughts will create your experiences. If you lose hope, you think negatively. If you lose hope, you think it's not going to be easy. And when you think that way, yes, it's not going to be easy. But think positively. Achia nemuye akade o ho ametimi ape na mai ne yie. Enkoye de enti enkoye ne ye weni e de na metimi aya be koye. Ensem fata de na mefa so aya e be sa fata. Sabe ebo na paya yempam. Ebo na paya yempam na onipa wabra body tete pansam said ya betimi ahyehye na foforo. Do not limit yourself by what you think. Do not hurt yourself by what you think. Wa adwene a wodwene na ma oyawdie edorwo. Adwene a wodwene na ma mreyo ebeyo hoho. Adwene a wodwene na ma bufuo ba. Na anu a obi ka asem anya kire wo no, e de na ma obufu ye. Ne o ka kire wo ho na kenya bufuo. Na anu a wo sha baba wa bi a wo se baba we de ne ho fe. Ye we de heni mpukuya we de minyana meto no e kenya wodo akoma mu na akose ne pe chese adwene abadwene bia na hyase ene ne abaye enti mra enkoyi no dwadwempa enkoyi atete apansam enso megidi se minya akande ne suahunu na me de kama brabo ho a ebeye empo onipa arebo ne boko satafre so ya na ho sabe so nkonsuo ni ekura obetime agya na to baabi. There are people in our lives who have become poisonous. That no matter how we think positively, they will create toxicity for us. Let them go. Now, the mechanics actually will be say, "Yankopon say our dear dear." Niawa kambo mu no. Me and the team na me say Yankopon na ka wari etu. O wari na Yankopon ho. Be man say open no, o de to Yankopon anim. We share oba no bo mpa papa we na me pe no. Bo na makosha mantwe bi na mawade na sabi suban fini suban bone. Adware mu ho se Yankopon de aka to mu no. Me and the team. One na ka Yankopon na ka bo mu. Onyame won ka nipa mbum una ade wo pɛ ekope nipa no enti enkoye na atete apansam na edi unya na wagye mu na nse dia ba ne se mema twe sekan na ode tata ma mema twe tuwa na ode tata ma enye suban papa. I will condemn it with every energy I have. Let us grow up in our emotions. And before we can grow up in our emotions, it means we need to have knowledge and wisdom in our minds. So ben bi abede na die no susu ho kane. Wo dwene ho kane na wo dwene ho a ekanya watenka na watenka ekanya woni ye. Your thoughts can act like chains that will tie you to the ground. Adwene abegine betimi aka wahye. And your thoughts can become like wings that will take you far and above. And what you abegine betimi aye ntabaya ebetimi amawatu. Every be adwene be wadwene mu a bisa won say these thoughts are they thoughts that are chaining me to the ground or are they thoughts that will make me fly? Adwene me adwene fa me ho kani ho. Adwene me adwene wa adwuma mu a adwene me adwene fa ma brabo ho nyina no eye adwene be kam ya hye akekere me na adwene be sane me na amametuo. It is your choice to entertain the thoughts you think about. To me nyina ekura ho ene de ameno ka say to me a odba dwene adwene ba dwene nyina ya wo dia emfa ho de esi wa brabo mu emfa ho de ekoso wo abusua mu emfa ho de ekoso wa wade mu emfa ho de ekoso wo man mu a the only thing you possess is the power to think. The power to think. I know the new being some equal. And you need to replace every negative thought. Yes, thoughts can be automatic. Ebu a wushia ade na nya na ba, hey mabro e ba na sa sakra wadwene mu. Remember that happy and good life starts in the mind. A happy and a good life starts in your life, in your mind. So is a sad and a bad life. Abrabo ehutwa awade edimu adesua emani pa konkan adwumapa ya adwumadene na hyase ene adwene ayadwene anapa me sori ye na rendo frame me ni apostle ene ebe program o me se me ba o kenya me atenka ena ekenya me na me nda so ne se me kwakoye program enti na wa madwen ponta me tu car ena mabai esan asem o kato madwen pro so no ekenya atenka bi o kan na me ka che ne se o rendo ena dia mabre o me ho mfa me bo se na ma yebota na me da ho na ni ha ka me na mada na o kenya me no ne nyina so ne ma me so me ka kire me ho a ekenya me abrabo won kenya egina wadwen pro so ena wabo mfiayo ena o mere yo egina wadwen pro so enkoyie aticha pansam ayedne asay enu nkyire se enyeyi ne yedie enyina so ene adwene abetsa hya adwene efiri ne da eko wo se eden atosin obetimi ahye ne ma achia nenso emui kwan bia so no obetimi atene no sabe de okonsuo ena bo anyina se wato na muntuo na bibia ankoyi a emba ho abomfia emba ho sobo hye ho den na hye ho nkran na ka che ho se bibia megina ya metehwe no mesori biom na mekenya mabrabo na mabrabo aye krabehe obi onyankopon bo obi na oba ma yedie oba ma so bedi nkunim na to da bia ya adwene ena eba na basa onyame nhira wate onyame nhya wodne na oma wadwene enore adwempa enkuranhye nsem ne yedie nsem ne ensem asafata enya bufuo oyawdie atete ne empo abomfiasem emparo oma menna frankase na menna Enoch wedum na sound any camera na menna MCR lighting and floor manager se na mensa na empo me producer Randolph ena eja Webek ampedu se Sandra ho a menchia no gidi se no ho ye onyame enka ho se onya akwanhwe ame koso na hwe badwamodwuma die na de eba na doso woni onyame entena makrao
Sesa mo akwa babie me Adom TV Badwam so eniani tayakote go yeda se no nkranhyan sema no pay ensem asie na braso sa wotibie sa Adom TV Badwam kase sam no do so ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini non-communicable diseases say ya e hadwene enu ti empanifo de nhyehyɛ to na kwan so sebe ya ye behunu na yahwe kwan ye befa so ebesia no ye de sansam no enchiremu ebebro na fe yakomra hwebedwa fie mu nso na Public Account Committee and the National Security edin nsam etudwa chiremu se wonmo a won hu bom mu a yebo wondin yentwe asunti ena ama niema ekoso se de ekoso se man we ne nsam bi ena no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo Facebook /Adom TV edem live ewo ho ena Go TV channel 119 ena DSTV channel no 280 midi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mutie se de nsam no enchiremu ankasa etie non-communicable diseases nyarwa ahodo bi te se bia emfayare nom ne ade eyade a ewo ho no mo pa na nso mpanifo hunu ne yie se ebi hyehyemia bia won mo hu nti ho akohia se yekeka niema esisi ani na yehunu nyarwa no bia hyehye bia na yehwe etu ase steps survey data collection and our collectors training ya akoso ewon kran na mpanifo de nsemi etudwa
sabe yare se obinya ontimi fa sa ne yonko bia NCD ye hyeda ni data se kroma ye kase nipa sen e ohanche mu dodo sen ne nomensa ana se omunya exercise ana se bia omunum cigarette ye ntimi nka ye bebo yetum na aka se ye bo yetum aka asem no so na che se ebetimi aba se enya ne sa no no nti afei no adwuma ye pese ye ana nhyehyɛ a apomuden aso ye bepese ye be ye se de be ya ye be ba manfo ho ban efri NCD no yentimi engina bibi pote so emfasa nhyehyɛ na ento enu ntini ye sa survey we
WHO medical officer we in charge of NCDs Elizabeth Juma edana de say enipa afibia wonum ewuo ewo ewiase afana nyina no emu hamu nchichemu aduoson wonum asa non-communicable diseases bi eye wonum.
In our developing countries, particularly in Africa, we have a double tragedy. We have communicable diseases like malaria, still causing high death. But we are now also facing these non-communicable diseases, high blood pressure, diabetes, asthma, causing death as well. So we are being hit with like a double epidemic. And this is why encouraging our countries, every country where we are in, please let us address the issues of non-communicable disease.
Maento akasiano so na Minister of National Security so Albert Kandapa ese enei Public Account Committee se report ne ba ne nipa bi hu bon wo mu na ye ntwe wo maso a eno ka ho bi ene ne ye hunu e wo man mu na braso se wo mu a ye bobo wo mu din wadi sika nom ne ade no ye gi ye sika free won ho anasa mra no ene won ye adwuma na numu nsam Adom TV kase etwaso.
Inherent deficiencies in the operationalization of the cycle of public accountability discussed earlier, particularly regarding delays by the leadership of Parliament to swiftly act on the report of the Public Accounts Committee, has served as a major reason for the non-application of disallowance and surcharge by the Auditor General. Because the truth of the matter is that most times we've had beautiful reports from the Auditor General. We've discussed it in Parliament, but after the Public Accounts Committee would have deliberated upon it, it needs to come back to the plenary and get the House to adopt it. Through some excellent political mechanisms, these reports from the Public Accounts Committee never get tabled for the plenary to adopt it and for necessary actions to be taken. So I can understand why people are furious, why people think, no, take away Parliament and let's go ahead with this disqualify and surcharge.
Esim Penny, one of that not man no Abdallah Salifu. Now was senior near Mekika Crono, a dying attending story buildings, a hoodwo, ye was sermon if you do not, or a brasson, so was say, Yahumu pa, Fisan and saying, a costro, and I said, dying a casiano, a costro, a woho. Now some way beto ja, na a 6-story building, one more AC, a UDS campus tamale. a adwira gonti ena nsam no ode tudwa woni Adom TV etwaso.
Yedemu kopemu ewo University for Development Studies UDS Watermalea Suku dan abansro nsia a womo AC ewo suku no campus no abansro no adwiregu we enam so ama Northern Regional Director a ono na da nadmo ano ewo mpatemu ho no Abdullahi Salifu e de abetudwa se womo nye hwehwemu emfa abansro ahodo a womo AC ewo Tamale ene ne mpatemu a adwiregu no saa abansro ye adwiregu ye obia won anka wonipa baako a one Joy News nsentwofo atwetwe nkomo Abra bansuri adwirigu ye eye Abdullahi edi tudwa se bebi ana womo AC dan eye bebi ana eho eye atechem na no ano hu se edan no ammem ene nam so ema edan adwiri tugu ye wosan edi tudwa se womanfo edi to nadmo mpenifo enim se bebi ana womo AC dan eye bebi a womanfo esusu se eho eye dam na nsuo na twinti no ana womanfo enhu a womo besi sa dan esi oyi Wachire mu se dam ne nchen ya na dan bi esi ho a sa dan wo mu frɛ ne se Mogbalanyili a ekyɛ se dam no edan kitwa esi ne nchen no na we ana Nadmo Regional Director no editu dwa se contractor na oye edan ho adwuma yi enya emepie mu ewo bebi a wo mu wo no
Ohene ene na de hia ye wo bewu eno ewo Westmont Pro Simensi mo wo North East Mountain mo na ene Ose school for wasankwombo school no won mojaye na womo call fishing ebi mo kra call ahayo na ni nyina gina se won school dan ne tebia na nye nti won ko ho na adwiragu won so wakosam woni Adom kase edi nkomoyi
Amika say campus news ho dai so no eba mu ebra ye share a director na what intervention eba ye show and tell nti otuye fu say yan so ye po school ma yan trans nye hwe ne bebo ma nkola na timi akenkan no matimi Badwam confidence. Campus news neje, me can say aba course model atnasia. Yede ye adwuma se na be amofra ne nyina betimi asua de. Na ni gi amofra de asumo no. Eboa pa eye.
Abenaja moa ampoma eye chichechireni ewo school mu honomo. Ono so ne amane boni etwetwe nkomo.
Amofra no bia ene ne talent a odenam. Enti ye chichireni eye adwere se ne adenti na yenye bibisa cause ye news Adom TV ye station na me pepa ana omo news nso ye hwe anochwa ba ye hwe afiaman kwata makuru ene obidum bie omo nyina na sese emofra no nso bibi wo mumu a omo nso omo betimi ede aye omo nyina nso no eye danya ebi pese oye ensonchiri nti akwanya no or the start free ha okonanim no omre
Enwechi ena desuanfo bi a wonom ewo course model A basic school ene amane boni etwetwe nkom.
News na ya kano Monday ne Fridays no. Aboya maye hu talent a eweye mu.
Ya na obese obese fia makwata maku. Ene obudu bi aduku. Ai aboya bi.
Nti we mu fanche we ye different one cry. Ye de bewu de no ebeba. Mayento so na yenko yensam foforo mo nipa nkono Womu pranu mo de ne pa won kwanhia esi ye Ugomo Chirako Junction Kasoa Cape Coast kwantempono so won fifi mantemu
5:26 hours na inya into the accident is Ugomo Chirako the Ghana National Fire Service the BIA and accident is na say casualties na victims no akaka no ma yekọ na yeyi won in Tampado na enyo ko hospital most mabaya doctors botuma hwe one entama atrenchen biarensin yedu one nampa accident isa dem ma kwala na friend okay na accident no e cars 4 na wenya accident nipa 9 na won hu wo prepare ya yenwon kwatroma specialist hospital there doctors nhwe na wonya ayaresa enter dem ma de bia ye kacha ya na driver fu nye de ya no quantum pony especially we know to Accra quantum pony abeye quantum pony bia no do akoyi hu kakra acha 2 weeks bia accidents do nipa prepare wodo some of these accidents can be avoidable.
Na wosan edit Adom News in Central for enim se womanfo na womo ahyen mu yi womo de omu nyina akogu winiba ayaresa bia se womo enhwe na ho ana womo je ayaresa.
Police officer abibinti yammo ni dini ena wode nsam to dwa kire mu se kufu ado amamu yi de yi na mo ankura de ne yenkoye kura monyo sapa se empanifo wo maye adwuma wie de won sika to ho nkakra so na wontua ma wo no enkoye ne num ensem ni
10th March and ofre ya na opese committee bi behwe ekwan obefa so atua ne ka se we nye committee asem ye nyina ya prince by 28 ubetua eka ewo mu nyina aban anchro sa akrata no ye hwe anima 28 na kese ntua anitua no ema ana ye de letter ekoma police for say efi enne ebefiti ase abehia ha no free sa abre no ebepem ne no 19 coupons 19 ana ehye ekem enti aban entua sa na ema nyina emayen ansana ebefiri hakwa ye free hakwa
Adom Kase eni Jashe retired police officer eso yana ne buafu yie pa na asem a woka ene se di aban eye wo mu ya wo dada wo mu idie wo chen na mwana ebeto odwase waje omanfo sika so bema wo mu godu a ekoda ne nsempi e wo mayi.
That period our money was with them was just a waste. They should try and give us our capital. Some of us are ready to take our capital. They can't be fanfooling us like this. What they are doing even is worse than NAM1 issues. NAM1 is a individual company or entity. But you, the whole government of state, you'll be treating pensioners like this.
Enwechi Adom Kase ene emebi a wo mu akọ ahomije mu a wo ba wo yechire ni bi etwetwe enkomo.
Some of the amount to kura mutikura ebe shimu say abrewe bi be nanti akokoro bi be fini fie afaka betena ha the coupon saying 10,000 cedis.
World Food Program edinefo mienu asi hɔ a yebodero afa aduane ne papam ene sebeya yebekra ne yie ne enya so mfaso ama bia ka omen ene abibraman enkaye na ne kra mu ne nhihye mu nyina no wɔn de ho kasakire tudwa country director de ma World Food Program Barbara Clemens na wɔde tudwa kire mu se ye ne yie kra ne yie hihye ne yie a enuane ho nkwa atwere se de ehunu ewa abibraman bi so Adom TV etwaso.
I mean, we talked about investing. We talk about now that we have a company that we are now have invested in, worked with FDA to get them on board so that we can now start shipping specialized nutritious food to those companies. We're working on them to increase their market share of is something called Super Cereal Plus for pregnant and lactating women, which is economically more valuable in our life-saving operations.
Oman Ghana oman a womu benya emfaso efri enkonya womu esi plans ahodo ene nhihye a World Food Program ede abai na dwumako bi a womu ebedi mu akotene ebini Food and Drugs Authority Deputy Director Edema Food and Drugs Authority FDA Roderick Kwabena Ejay ene Adom News nsentro for etwetwe ho nkomo
obroni frɛ bibi food safety there say ade bi a won etibi di nipa dem a etimi kɔ aduane mu so hwɛ say saa nneɛma no enkomo ɛno nti na saa nkyerɛkyerɛ na yɛ kyerɛ yɛn nkrɔfoɔ a say no progressive license no ɛno yɛ industries no ɛno yɛ frɛ no GMP good manufacturing practices. It is also be good manufacturing practices now. Onkonko yet bad manufacturing practices.
Dr. Kwabnado Fueni da kwan Sadam Memenda NDC delegate enkoto abanyino na wayon Franka Tuni na Franka Tuni no so eboano na 2024 enkwa hoɔden kraye na odi nkunim sagana mampani dia na ne buffer stock system no obehye kena pa sabeya nana makwiafo wondo ba ya ne benya baabi akra no a ense ya oman ye benya so mfaso Adom TV etwaso
no ya di bi ba ne afra no national food buffer stock already be yes see that case company be they actually are free farmers no agum farmers no we are sad they be one hoden a on be adwuma aduane ba no ato afiri ho okwe na adwuma they be anu na adwuma na eba so see no we twemu a o driver say farmers dey to ya to e banche ya to we a proper produce post harvest losses and I have na buffer stock no pass sa post harvest loss no e be ye firo.
abra ohia NDC delegate ewa Asante Mantem no wode to dwa se wo mo hwe se wo mo ebeka wono ho abom na wo mo aboa ama wo manfo a wo mo wo amanyoko nim de from grassroots yi wo mo nso etimi etumpon ewa amanyoko nim
afei grassroots no se que se tie ni hwe won if o mo ne part no nyina so broni was foundation this foundation no epoa fapem no epoa na oni edai part no foundation no ensipiba na oni party se hwe da foundation no grassroots no omunya hoden
Mayanto akasia no aso na make say aposifo akire enipa mienu bi a wosusuo se ye radio presenter wo ye na adwuma e wodabon radio watermale Abubakar Siddiq eye mebo se me de to so me ensa wo na adwuma mu ye adwuma enipa bi koto share no so no wakire mu mienu Adom TV eto so
Aposifo ensa aso nipa mienu bi mu a womo esusu se sa omanfo yi ana womo ekobro nsanchoni bi a odi ni dwumadi ewo Dabon radio station a ye fe no Abubakar Siddiq ewo Tamale abra na wodi ni dwumadi ewo radio so eye me bosome no da etoso miensa afi 2023 abra nsem no ebeto dwa se nipa bonfo yi akoto ahye radio station presenter yi eso no eho ana aposifo eye nhwehwemu na abra womo edu bebi a asem no esiye no womanfo a womo ho ebo mu a womo ensa so mumu yi edwaneye nanso na womo nim se infidi a ya camera bi ebobo ho na no ana posifo yi kohwe camera si ana womo hu omanfo yi ewo mu ana womo ekoso mumu twetwe edin a womo de betu dwa yi eye Idrisu Hadi a dodo na afa ne se Pagaza mumu ni Osman safo yi eboa aposifo na womo ye nhwehwemu na womo de womo bekogina eye court na womo edi womo
Badwam kasia no pay na hana brema kwan na yede ni nyina asie yeda sipi no nsia no abo apa home ye sure say brace adwuma na wo kwa eso wasimo na traffic bi amfa no ho ama ambagimo se wonya nko nso a biso na hweye fi se afei na adwuma die no pompon so no ye do ho Facebook/Adom TV edem live enso ewo ho income na Asante Mantem nye ne kurasem nti ye kan ma ye mu nhwe mu amopre no ai besma ka kwasi ensia enso gina na so be me na mo akwa ba bibi aboko
boko na nso e
yankopon Adom
ye de nyame ase
blue ni nye bad
so oba peni no wa ufanya agro kra
ya mwani atra wani to media chao kra media Adom bibia ye fine bibia ye fine pa irade ahwe so ama de achi ye de nyame Adom na eno na konfo di mewuo na se ya medwen wo mu ho amenti ase ade apake case wo kwa bana akotutu na nini na afrim wo magimani tie ne nyame na dem ba esundie mu enti de asie no ni party ya so mfa ne sanya adwuma obra no afa seconds no de atutu afiri ho mamunya sa adebo awo ya
sorry ahomachi yes ade we
yesi ahomachi awia gede ma 7 he ya ewia no musu ni petwam kase fa ho kase mienu apake wo ho ma hu menko amedie na kwabrane kotuye so oni mo issue so oni medado atutu ni mienu o de anka spare me yibe ba ko watu ni mienu nyina che se akwasi asema American na me gira as menu ma ese enra che se to me so na my confused and my packet can no gata no kakra nti sa side wo no kwa me wudi enti otimi kotu ho de anka otu me side kwa me so ho na awatimi ayo operation atutu na nyini na nam senti nipa mu to obi enhu ana ayo mo se mechanic o ye ka no kwa adwuma wow fire dem ja o manya me ho na nka me sane agrada egu ni so because am I confused me go me sane agrada but da wanim enen ya nchewa ye sure say ye becho sa
ama ye becho kiti
adekitu bi a ese wan shada kura no so
bi am ka say
mamunye sa
adekitu bi na gu ni pa ni mu ase
ene na abechi no se ene nko a so no wa ya se me enche no ya mamunye sa obi an fa ne sanya adwuma ni where ye katwom akwesi kafra na ntime solve issue ka wo ken
sefra amanu si me se kafra e na wo se enye kafra nko a afra me ne enye kafra nko na abeso ene se ene se de efie ya ma enye se ya mama mfo
kontonchi kasa papa twaso me so de bocha de michi
enko Adom online
you see you don't have anything nti eno ane kafra na Magic. Enti me da mo.
Light na say. Ba ko na ite beto. Say 2.
A2. No ha.
Na na
I'm pay ya oba befa.
And me say na na yes ba ko 600 to 700.
Sir?
And enya de ketwa da be ka.
Aya somehow.
Hwe no be fix so be you be 100.
Mamu nyesa.
Obi obeka cho so ba wo shi.
Budgeted plans ade. Mamu nyesa.
So almost be 1,000 2,004.
Edamanim.
Ebeko.
Ayo.
Hwe ene da ho no.
Me say Ibrahim make asem bi o say car bi obeto na maintenance. Car no obeto na ho ka che say we kura ka da anim o light ni nyina anim ayo bisi no me dwen ho.
O so ko wash ye no eno da ho.
Yes washing. Yes we wash kura nye ye. Dia ye na esam se light na eno so ye be 7,000. Enti na enu a obeye mi say na wo pa che say. Mamo nyesa. Ati ase. Ye nya de esa. Wo yesa na ka makoma. Badi enya hwe yan to aso mama nchia Uncle Tony or US on na busia nyame hwa. Uncle Tony nyame hwa papa nyam boy be next year so benya ne 78.
Wow.
Birthday nyame hwa. Ana make wo kan wow ene ye na ba ku bi wo Kenya se.
Okay.
Enne ye na woda na panine de se ya sori ye se ye ne no a ye sori ya no no so asori. Difference woman so onyina TV so but otifie ya o hwe nti we de birthday ni be baba me yen hyeda nya na de no special fama no nana ye bo asuama oye apesma kahene ewo ahafo Kenya se number 1 traditional council.
Okay.
Nana no pay ye bo ye mu chia
na
onkwaso na wo hwe na pictures o de aba ne de enya me sell read of ne tell ma mun project na
ma ye hunu nana eye nana nyame nhira
apesma kahene wa hafo Kenya se number 1 traditional council nana ye bo asuama nana nyame nhira papa o hene yire mesiesie edu ono so na woda tini nyina ye de ama ayi read of mesraw mo to
so ne celebrate you at least mesiesie edu nye hwe ma ekura o me ani age o TV so
oh yes
Ora fansi wonye hwe.
Ude unim no kura na movie de.
Fansi wa me asre e wo TV so.
Enti nyame nhira mu nyina mefo no ba mu yeda mu ntimi ntu epofo no. Na nyame entu mu
okay so abenchia kokko ware so na busua wa santimampo. Anopo mu so ajebre yomo ehwe.
Okay.
Ni santimampo fo nyina mechia mo.
Na mojo so. Eze dawro na no wo ye no.
Enche
nyina no.
Yeba.
Obeba. Anu ya 2030 ho ba bi enye na asem. Nti adomonline.com.
20 say ya to 2020 taba you. 2020 ni ya to 2028 taba na wi.
Na de wo person about 2030.
I'm say 2030 dia.
E chire hodom. Nti the next 4 years nyame adom na yeti ase.
Me do achi abese bibia.
Na de unya nwu ho. Nkofo bra kura. Nti we adomonline.com na road to NDC primaries. E hu photos nye nyame adom amemenda. Akwasi ene political decks. Team no my crado. Eduma no hwe promotions no ne ade running no na ya crado pa constituencies ni nyina no ya de mu nsem bebramo NDC ko akoyi Frank Atuni na afi wo mra share bejafo kwabna minta kando me sure all the best me sure say kwabna area mu hode obetene kwakwa kwabna yiro hu na ya eduma no na ayi kwacho fosu so ho no aso ba bia yi ni ti wo ho
so into ba say eso kwacho fosu ni Sam George na eso mo Sam George
Obi aba ho de
apprenti bia ko ro no na
wow
ye Sam George no so friend bia akosi
enough constituency ho
akosi enough
because for how many times
that is in the third time when ambo about 2016 20 third time yeah
think we third na nko
apprenti ni apre obe contest regional chairmanship and wenya and is wasua waso ni bre ni nyina
ade akọ constituency ho ningo prampram
do yenso afia wo ye delegate no
ayekese
sisika pa no mo hweso de ato de Sam George Sagona o share no akọ beka sisika ne nko ade ne Sam George Sagona
but
I want to believe say it will be more than delegate ni may decide more than the monetary value yeah
enti no memenda mo afidie ne na wonim say ye election headquarters nti e ba bibia election any other programs are multimedia dey wani tua eyina na wo from but e ba adwuma ne dia who say always ahead nti nyame ya adoma memenda e de nyina ba bramo na pa ye no so be baso wate nti no adomonline.com ne dia wono so e de ba ye eno no ye nananom ye maamenom ye papa no nso eni borrow from treasury bill market to pay us eni pensioners ena omo de to aban no animosre osre omo ye adwuma kakra ya tete ato onso tuama wo mo ntuama mo tie ho asem so eni Makokreku Mante believes Black Sheriff deserves Artist of the Year. One ekasa.
Makokreku Mante.
Menya so no na ko bi na eka hye na no. To badwomonline.com. And also ewo ho. Enti ho asem eni mienka we power out to be. I say Adom FM Saturday Kasahari.
Yeah.
At incoming rappers. Underground rappers. Omo ya dey too much.
Oh yeah.
Na Saturday we and more a year first edition.
Okay.
Kasahari League champions.
Okay.
And our RTBC Powers RTB.
Okay.
Wa we ne omo ya here krano rap ya. Enye easy. Say akode nom ne amrado nom ne
adom.
Oh yes. Eno baroni. Na eno so far oba be na asa mente oba rapper bia.
There be oba rapper bia no a wa sheda.
And you know ready.
No, yes.
Na tunku ano. Ampa eno de oya de. Na o head anim so as on rap you. As na asem na basa oya de too much. Nti eno do too. Because he ento aso.
Okay, if you na assemble am sha say from ABC News. Say na na mahima ye war and crime. Krodwe my special mom wo dodo one pot mo say so omunya virgin fanye dipo. Say virgin wa kwa atwe.
How?
Virgin.
And cry a war na the pony assassin at what
age? 13 to 16 years. Yes.
Hey. Any chromo man as your question.
Yes. Ebi anom so ba away.
Amukwa away mu. If you akokọ de omo.
Mo say say free do we ban kran mo ntwe sa o.
Any na any asam na
It's asam ba.
Ye nya virgin.
Lack of virgins frustrate depot right.
E break you omo.
Asem kase pa na abeto omensu ya hwe ye de sa
nya wo mu no mbenyini na matumi aye mu ha
ye de sa na sa amamre ne amane ne so etwe ko se ye nya ema no ye virgin ye do mo be ye depone so no unya virgin untimi nye so
any problem pa
ne
o se kasa kire no koso mo because e bia se enen so nkwa no mbu o mo santamo 11 12 no start na say from 13 na yenya virgin dia
yes
adin hu ye mo boy sere mo munya wo mo nyini wo munyina na emu aye dene a ubenya so mfaso na nketo ade wo se wo mahem be wi akire kura no nyinse ko ba mu a akura no fistula no ni ade na de hu ba ba jim yesere mo mema munya wo mo enkwa no mo akono
oh yes
na me ba abayo yi say wo wasene me tu hu no pe I say wanyini and I'm crying be so muso. Wo man mama ayo ya. I said wo man team. Ti no onko wo slim things.
Yeah.
Ne maso so. Ti wo hu wo
a. Wo be say
wanyini so wo sha.
No akọ fast mama. Na we kwese ye no yesi mpanifo kwa aseta no. Na bi mkra de susu ye ba say enka ma no ma ya abortion no. Yem form sa abata na say tia dipo enhye.
Na no de.
Say afie say
na be de wo hu say we ya abortion na so wonya.
O say afie family de maamefo no. Etimi ka. Ba ne nsusuye a ebi mu ede baba danam so hu ne se dipo no eye dwumadie be ye de ma emma de ho asi wonom.
Ene kwasi adwuma wo yenso wo. Because I was say ye ne nkura no so kasa.
13 16 years na say ede se benya virgin dia. Adwuma pa.
Ye be wo fie na America na wo say fie ye start ne ye ma no edi enkomo. I was say ye ne nkura no di nkomo ye no mu di nkomo ne yentie nkura no so asem nkura no nkomo bebre wo ho eno me baboe wo kasa afi waka ensem do so I say are you sure you are listening because as wakasa afi many because I do but eno no wo yes no wo kasa no next time na say wo on the country
because me ma me dem catch na wo mfi me
what you say as wo tie so won kan yentie nkura no wo
no akoka kire obi a ontimi ntune fo papa
sa
nipa ne beka bia say yo senyo no agi atum
nti ye betumi aye bibi enye late bia ka no ko say still ye da so ti ye benya bi ho sa bia akra bia nya 1 year 2 years
ye betumi
akra bia nya 10 years ye form mo fa free ho enye late emam ne ya ba mu ye ne nkura ne nkasa nkura no so mo nto mo bo na mo nya nkura sade wudu ho ade bia na meka ye hyeso ye keka ye nti ye na ne da ho ye bu na nti ti nya botere but a stage who do one more rushes over pay. But when you're young, so now that when I wouldn't just and was as a wabre. So to Mummy and Toya, never your dear, I want to make men to him. Eddie, I crack, I bet you crack, Munya, but Serema system.
Delegate. Baumia goes home for blessings. Comes to the picture of Vice President Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia Nefuni Ewaha. Parliament set to grill new Chief Justice, Justice Gertrude Isabasaki Tokunu Efuni Enewaha. Pastor burns woman to death.
Hey.
If you didn't say, Mami call deliverance service. And I saw for share anointing or you go so. Or the Moshishimio. You could do a Sabia near San Fan Miracle Lebu. Tim, we're free.
I want to buy Ben.
A friend and Penfogus Yen.
I saw a bear.
I saw no at the Central Region, baby. Yeah.
And welcome will be.
Yes. I'm not sure I know she good. Ninya bad nature him say. Ninya call deliverance service. Yes, they are not there. There's no two ways about that. Now, call a deliverance service now so for no if she anointing oil. If to one man or the Moshishimio.
And I said, a Jenny, show anymore. And I appear physical.
Appear physical. Until you coffee, no. Yes, and who as in your Jampone.
Yes.
Yes, I told to the didn't call hospital. And then pay for a transfer in Fanamra Kolebu. You didn't buy Kolebu, doctor for you, you know, baby. Who cried the unquaint me, and ye. Ajima me, a crunch. Please, first, I said, more or more AMO and Shimu. NDC man arrested over journalist attack. State trial, Officer Ampo to appeal courts. Into Daily Guide and so, and on Ghanaian Times and so, and review sanctions of District Assembly Elections Act to address low voter turnout. NCC in our Ekanisium. Government targets 1 million jobs through entrepreneurial initiatives. KT Hammond and so, and on. Landlord kills boy. Inflict machete wounds on father and sister. Just pon zero knocks. Yeah.
Or a young boy bay.
Is it a landlord no eba?
Eba.
Yes.
When ye.
Oh, nini piece, but as a sir.
And welcome papa and back to get 1.5 year.
Oh, this is kind. As in sipping.
Into our hair, I dear life and a cost society. What kuno kwa nti ya china ko to ne ya sama police escort
and na no one na wo kase says him wani na ho o mo bi ku a ahwa na ayekwa
but akraketwa adai efie na ote na omumpa na ede asem
says na afia e be kanya se be ni na ho
oh mabo nyesa
especially obi e sha so born training
masa chon free because be ku free
kwa
ye be di asam na die nkosi hwe na nipa no wawu ko no nam ho ne bambofo se bo no ho ban yo hwa keto a one and a half
so ye kese ese wa sentence ni to death mampani ensign ye be me na dia na di bibie no wa sape akra de oh obe kon kwa
obe wie kra obe se hwiansa no adwuma no wa pia ba so ye osofo no wakumobi
nti wani na ho
mama nyesa
me ni na ho
Debbie.
Just pon Zeronox seal deal signed joint venture agreement to produce in Ghana. This is the world's largest electric vehicle project. Yeah, and so Eba or my Ghana and so and if you
and one I made up for Teresa Nyakwa Boche, Nyaku Boche, watch moda or posting or position I'm refi. He said I'm so cool anymore, Chief Inspector. I'm sure why medasi pi ono so hwene den ansan wo pie akoye na dwuma ti medasi na eno na traffic bi wo town pa
yes
na ewia no so na
hey
na na me say hamponi na yi we ewia na no
eno so obi bi sam the same thing make say o me look as if say abeye normal e dia mo ye ne wo southern part ni fi say emu mia kakra bia ewia bo yes but
Eviana no odin mesra mo man so nyam mo wo mo side ye no mo nsuo dodo mo nam awia so tie awia so ton ade de nyam me pene mo ba
se kwasa de tipaye
oh yes
tipaye pa
na de nam nti mesra nsuo ne no so ne nya ba bi na wo nso na wo nom na wo saa ente saa awia na ebo na no odin ano odin pa na ye hu afade no so yie en shatade de heat bebre ni padua ne bebre eno na na mu anwan se kwabra ne atwahwe onyare nso wonte apo heat no kra no etimi ha dwene mum ye no nsuo ne dodo ye ni hamatan mu na nso awia na ebo no ano odi na rade nso yeda na se because wa mansu anto a me den nso na etoye
yes
yeah na me say because me dana as at 8 a.m. awia bia na ebo na say 1 p.m. awia ehwa be awia no mu ho na awia mu asesa
na say amawie madwo
kakra super because ono de so wo hwe ebo na so pa but wo ya was me amede
ni suo kra on tibi mpokura ma ye ni suo esukra efia be kwa ma me fa we NP4 de etufo amanfo eto fam wo table top no
da so ho
hwe ukọ enkronkuma mu a
asa utu kwa akọ
yes
unam kuma so kwa so da so ho
pa ti NP4 etufo se card ya utimu a entwe mafuo no ensa kwata
sa
at least unse watra kwata etiba from pe baby ye 30 ni 40 Ghana cedis no no ahase top it up mafuo no ensa kra na wanko table top yesi enye kwa nipa bebrede ma bebra afrafra to the book mo be reach na kwa affect wo engine no afi o kire bi full of 50 Ghana kwato na akosei engine adekesie emua. The Chronicle NPP can break UP if Professor Jampo and Ebosa Kokoi. Agri sector will provide jobs for the youth. A free akoto. A free uncle.
Money na ho. Auntie Uncle Tony Opan. US and our Yami show. Medasapa, good morning, Yamin Kesse, because it's all back, Kesse, Brenner song. Ya koi dear, and a birthday wish and see the Badwam pa, to would my ya. Ya the number no better ho ya na say bi mo ya mo say o mu ni munti still number 1 fan to no pass am out ya the number to o mo fan to mo me nya sa matiase ya simple wan hwa na abedi afia wo na family so ya nya pe o beka say afia nya mame nti ya mo me fan number no so agudie mu nsam e wo ho asemidi kan so e wo ho na fe pensem mu aba wakwan en na paye ya me ya duma ye de e beba nti mo twen ye ya da sepa
Kesimen ba Adom TV so Adom TV so betwentwuma die studio o kensi o Empire Saka ena no penso ejam dindi Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messim Kunyana me kono quantum coordinates model and Saka na no penso biu e wo Ghana agudie ejao chene so mam se nyuma koni emiensa omna boys kadwete mena no pay ye den common eba 1xbet. I've always told you that betting there is better than Saka or bet there 1xbet to try before didn't before try kuma bia wodin kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na fofo yere o ma ofase fo na mukromo ompra fo na fo ina se 1xbet and better boys EDD is stay Mr. Yaman Queen from a wiki move more than that's us no betin right we try to before we betin edin before them bet with money that you can afford to lose sika ira nya we no eno and edi twa betting to per bet there a 1xbet je fast Mr. Address that she ma infections etutu ase yi fi ho na boa gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis why fita na so depo a prapra wakrawa na omra bomba to be din chinche bo more than that some sabetia kan je fast herbal Mr. Adoi oko herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne ma onsa ebetimi akabi na afin so Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampa super pem e wona ase no ya odi bia wuti bia pain etu ase yi firi ho na boa ema oso nya pomodene pomodene da ko ashama na soja fo no gusu na mode e ba sabetia kedo bia to sa so na do ni 8 esa kire mu so e wotema so a enye na kora betia afro pain 4020821929 na oni Sedimo gel and roll-on for pain 4 yen twetwen komo yen hwemwa ma sentiment kedro bi na mwa ema onan so intimacy onan so we mu ene sponsor say techira abo me na no penso ye dia go kensi hu Empire Saka etimi jao womo etimi a present items a range from medals and afi plaques and afi trophies ne hukoniaba e de ama 10 football regions na e Ghana ha we adwumadi a omode mom se be ya ko ba so bidi nkunim e de fi juvenile league nima ye de saba sport kesi bitinyama na ukoma na se ukwe kumasi a oma select se omne be host the maiden edition of the 2022-2023 KGL Foundation Inter-Regional Championship against Kesi between Sabas and Timino Cassadia 10 regional football associations no dey I crowd say kwambia so between select best under 17 players are on between jinem na from boss akensi amaniama etimi atutoye e de Ghana football nenkanko ene nimpuntu.
I want to support football at the grassroots level even before we enter into the national championship where this year we're not going to have the inter-club competition, but we're going to have the inter-regional competition. So it's Greater Accra versus Ashanti region, or Ashanti region versus Volta region, etc., etc. And Julius and the rest of the team at the competitions department would ensure that we have a very good footballing.
The Cat Edwin Simon Okraku Ghana Football Association President and a new Mapabia Wayano or Namsoma and 10 football regions. No, 16 regions, there about 10 and a football. Edima Quatenepa, Homedima Kitty or Mamusha himself can be a Sumbitia Bois, Emma and Qualantity football at me Akosrostro, Ediamum Jumedia, one so Egosu Edin, one craft from no, Edini H Division 1 League in Swakachako PM Ozone 3 dia. Pondo out of Lance, best in Fima Kumakubes and Wakini, Omuko Quabitrum, Chewa Danes, Nema Intimation to 2 years from Momenadia, Abroa, Aipuma Mometia qualify, Ediomani H Premier League in Mubium. Now, Dr. Randy Abbey, Executive Council member of the Ghana Football Association, and Comodia Ban Sequando, out of Lance by the Boboleji boys, Yamia Doma, Omitia Beckham, Namabo Premier League, no, Ache.
I'm excited. We never give up and we're happy that it's paid off. I'm excited. Well, we intend to stay, so we'll do all the things necessary to lift up the club, so we'll improve on all sides. I mean, the playing body, the management, infrastructure, everything. So we'll try and work extremely hard to improve on all sides and expect that we'll be able to not just stay in the Premier League but also make an impact. I'm excited.
See, Dr. Randy Abbey ono ana okoto team ni Victor Akpeni ahiakpo na ne kitara ne dia ana oche somaba Premier League mu de ombehwa aboa emaniama etia tutu yi edi amom. If you unfair ni nchire mu Ghana Premier League outstanding week fixtures be etimi san to dwa no na enika enra Adriana Stars na do mahene ne mrante no omne Karela Football Club ana ede boss 90 minutes of soccer fiesta the scoreline was barren obi ene hotel pusu nyon kwati na Mediama Sporting Club Moses Amapa Kaniri Rose Park won so egina mu Echibeche United Ghana's Dangote the team no etwam 2-1 ewo sa akenzi kesia eno so pie mu enra.
So amazing, smashed it. The goalkeeper Dari had no chance whatsoever to stop that ball.
Swings it in nicely towards the face of goal. The clearance by Bishop was not the best. He's headed backwards and it's goal number 2.
It was an easy tap in for the top scorer for Badwam. Here he went in, headed the ball cleanly, but then again he was the quickest to react and just hit the ball with the inside of his foot, rolled it just over the line here. The clearance not the best and he fell for a Tinga again, and it's a simple tapping and Badwam are up by 2.
They are not in a hurry to come forward, Bechem United. They're trying to draw Badwam out of their defensive shell. It's not working as yet, but the pass is through now. Oh!
Look at them passing with that confidence. Cephas Mate with a beautiful turn. A lovely pass to put Aqua through, and it's a smash and finish. Pokes the ball beyond the reach of goalkeeper Felix Che, but look at the passing. Look at
it. Outstanding league fixtures etime sen pie no and ede hunsun sanso kakra etime sen ja batenra after say Adriana Stars ene eye omo etipenfo a efi Karela ebo etipenkro no ye ko ba ne say Pakwesi Fibin nebo anyo sa eye resource a epie no sokra.
First chances in the first half, we could have buried we could have finished the game in the first half. We messed them all up, and that's football for you.
But if you want to win the Premier League, you can't be creating chances like this and not scoring.
Exactly. Every day we come here, we work on scoring, and yet I don't know.
2 valuable home points dropped.
Yeah.
What does it do to your title ambitions?
A little shaky, but we are still on top. But, so we're still fighting.
With how these guys are playing, you think they have the mental fortitude and the character to go all the way and hand the people of Doma the title?
We keep working on it and see what happens.
Edema Adriana Stars Pakwesi Fibin na tene kan se wajatum se baabi a ase Adriana Stars akoda di esi asa awoso kakra eya kam e omutwumadi a wo mo egusu edini mu de mede e prapram pramadwade ekura no eye Vincent Matematinga Company wono e abrante baku si akan Edema Badwam Sporting Club enra oshego na osanfa man of the match after the game emra central for ne bo mpunipuno ne Vincent eye Atinga Company edi tudwani.
Coach, and we were too much determined to win this game because this game is very important for us. Because when we win the game, we will be on a second position. But determination and then hard work, we were able to win. So we are now on the second of the table.
You keep grinding result here at the Akon Park, but when you go away from the Akon Park in away matches, you've not been pulling the same performance. In your next game against Hearts of Oak, what do you need to do to grind results if you really want to win the league?
Well, there will be a week before Hearts game, so we go back to the drawing board, and whatever our coaches will tell us, then we carry into the game. We were coached and we were too much determined to win this game.
It's Media Mass Sporting Club, Vincent Atinga Company, and our tenant castle in Como age and say, here, a con park or the Albaha, on by Yamo, Fico, now so Quamontia, now say more aircraft for Musuka Canemo, Chesney, or Monsieur Mukuni Diemua, near Akaka Crabinidi, on my preparatory quine for fair fesso, ama almost supporters no Agiomadi. To humor, there's a Moses Amapaka, Niru Spark, on the Comtia from whom, yet you have more at the Ama place in Sebea, Yama, Ebitia to 2 years, at the Mumia Ligna, on the general quine for fair fesso, a Brubia, Adrian, and an entire so. We do see a Namada was a 1x bet on the third chin of Jeffas Mester, and so at a chili pie can do 2 infections as here. Omudima cotton a panafi, Sedimo gel roll-on, your ultimate pain relieving gel. Also, Techri and Edumedi Ebro. Within the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Wallace, a good catch back open of Genemu, and of course, evidence based presentation to me Jow. Rather than any man, you can see if we be Dasuni and found Kobia and it so a war. National Swam said the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
Adom TV, Badwam now Gusosha, Yada Professor Ike Wallace say. Na agudwe mu nsema no pen so odi abreye yeda sepa mo amagebre ehwe na beda mo asenso mo amosho concern ya minhira mu papa minim se ja ye kana saade afam denso course no chese moti meda mo ase nya minhira mo ena paye ma me ayiko enanom yeda mo ase papa ye nhia mo anke be de nie watimi awo ya me nyina ba bedru sei ye nyini ye so still muda so hweye Yamisha Batain Munina, say ya wa mame, send ya wa mami o free ya muba, ya nenso waho, abedu sam pempensueno, ya chiamunina, yadamwase, papa, radin koswa momo hobain. Na edru, and none more dase ya, munim dear Adom TV, Adom FM, Asempa FM, ye, ya dear nanum eda esiho. Na ya celebrate ya ma menum stronko kwan so kra na modo so dodo nti ya na ya selection na say wa dwumade ne koso no di mu nkunimu a na say ne ono na maba na ya dida no ne wo fie so ya share live wo TV so na yan sponsors yan hia wo mu anke be de ni wo mo ka huntina edru afibia no enanum da no ye nya hokeka no e di dwumade no eba na me wo Gilbert Memorial Health Center for Herbal Center for ewa haseya womun so ede wadwaton de abeso asene enti wate Herbal Center ne de na yese ya pomodene ya ma menom ye nyini ya koye mpani fie so no wohu obi se ni jonko ne hasei me na natiwa ene wo so da ho antenchem so ha na adwunam se na panimu so ntenchem egu panimu enti anu se ni se no na wonkra hase na kuma pagya no na mene no aba anka Jobert 40 mi ahwe no ama no ho aye ne dene enti saa pepepe e wo so mdu wodwato de be kan yensa me wo doctor e wo hase dog aropa me mu ache
bacha me jeus
na bibia boko de
nyame na adom
ya de nyame
as mu de celebrate ma me no mane man na
sa
mama happy mother's day
ya da say in advance ya da say Gilbert Memorial Herbal Center ya da mo se papa me hunu product be bre say sisi ha yenhwe nura hodo wa adwama so ne de ye woni paduam
me pache yo me da etifo na se nya hwefo na se na eba Gilbert Memorial Herbal Center de ye herbal clinic nyame nimni ye bo adwuma pa o hwen yarewa na eba ya so ayetimi hwe ma amafo nya yaresa no ya na ebro yankasa mumi adwene enti ase so na ya mpempin no de amafo tai kan se ye hu yanka yankuchinchin bebre enti na eja ye sinkete se ye bekwa abontin so nya yedi ya dance na ye dikan mami nkasa ba clinic nas na maba about how special our product is.
The obebodi no yi nanka.
We friend Malcare. Malcare and we Genuine mixture. Immune booster and we see for malaria.
Okay.
Na me pemu no me ye eyichire bisisi a amahwefo nyina ehu.
Okay.
Say Gilbert Memorial Herbal Center kwa na ye herbal clinic malaria dro a ye dia ba na enyenyo no.
Okay.
Enti se kwini ene dia ka na odidomu ni ade malaria draw eye crogen say nsuo
okay
eye 100% herbal any
where I say nsuo
100% herbal
wow
it is a distilled herbal product it demonstration konkra ebi obi wo ha malaria ye na edro no nyunyu nti ontime no medro no kane no yenua dido yenua okukom ni ade ne ba afie no ye special na ba Jobert Memorial Herbal Center yendro nyina ase ya nete crogen nsuo sa but 100% ote herbal ne pampan ne wum na je ebro adwene nti ase so cramp ne se ebo ejuma pepepe one man na 3 days na malaria na see to crack
okay nti se 3 di na hawa
3 di na hawa
ne edini de say
your friend Jobert Jobert Malke
okay
na nhwehwemu bebre akoso ye nwanmo eyomu free abrochi eba Ghana ase afi biara no omo ba na ye bi ekire omo bi nya malaria ne ade ye de momo ho to omo anam ka say no edwo ye omo hu bi da omo hu say ye sronko da na ebe ya kompese omo be ye nhwehwemu bebre na omo ankasa be gi product nko ye nhwehwemu no omo hu say the phytochemicals and I say in habana ho odin ye we duro ni no ebro adrenaline ti access aside malaria na air clear no esanso boa e boost immune system impo omo cancer ni ade nyina no the phytosteroids eye coumarins ne saponins ne alkaloids ni ade phytosteroids no eboa manipakro no nyina esinipi esinita inti eba no malaria de no ani Jobert Memorial Herbal Center malaria edre friend no Jobert Malke
ye nyina ho na chidi ye wa bibra mam ni e wo my Ghana mu de ye ne tie ha kene tontomo wi ye ne yenya inti se na ne nom ne tie
inti ne nom ne de
se ne ye nom no e glass ne nom
eno ani so we hwe ni tini mi se oye test ni wi ni e confirm so malaria we hwe ni tini mi no wanom anope wi anya nyumre acha 3 days na in 3 days no asie to cry na we Malke na mum no ba Jobert Memorial Herbal Center de ye hwe nyara bebre eye stroke eye hypertension eye diabetes so bi wo ha you so come tidy ni bebre odwonso bebre okoda ansa na de be chi no obedwonso more than 4 times e fe no nocturia osanso didi panso na ne sote nti sa ni pakone bi ana diabetes na eye unity e ba Jobert Memorial Herbal Center de ye wonura ye de shower ebe ma diabetes no aye well controlled impo if it is type 2 diabetes na it can be reversed nyame charge ye nya sa testimony ni bida into bi all diabetes hypertension e bia wo ha na akoma bo periperuti o ya de kakra na abre e bia na ye hypertension na hypertension ni diabetes wo so omo na antibom no complications no chronic kidney disease stroke heart failure any ade into no yes one ton we dra one ton yarea sorry unya anu edro na ba Jobert Memorial Herbal Center de say yare no wodin kwan dia enje Jobert wo anu edro adebema
enti Malke enu bi nkwan na wo ha difference
Malke ana we ye general mixture na general mixture na powerful immune booster enen bremu Ghana na obi ehia bi
na enu so ye nsuo sa
enu so ye nsuo crogen sa enu so ye nsuo crogen sa
mieso ye
enu so ye nsuo crogen sa na enu we have a testimony about obi ano enya stroke for be a year bedridden untimi nya hwe offer general aside the other medications ni ye share no na nyame charge after 2 months na me nakasa etimi asori a ono akasa nante edi ni nyuma na eba no colorectal cancer recently in Nigeria Dr. Penny bi oil oncologist obeji a product for managing cancer nan pakono colorectal cancer ojane na ya asebio na mojane ne muni ade ofifesa but obefa yenru no odi man client no say no bibia asesa about the client ni hwan yedin mojane to etwa afi no hwesisi no so into no ankasa de ato no say oye investigation na ekos na eno so adanse no ba results no ba ebema Ghana fo ni obia ate nti eba no sexually transmitted infection urinary tract infection junso na obememu ye oye emu hwehwe ojonso ten me ya na hwan ye ohye eno ane so de obeba Jobert Memorial Herbal Center ebia onsa ye otitriti eya na ye ose panye bi wo eya na ohun kekao bebre oje tu anamon ne bra Jobert Memorial Herbal Center na nyame nchade ye wo adioye ye wo ade a se oba Jobert Memorial Herbal Center ni e show ni hu adekote potia eye wa ye betimi abo ama wade ho kra efinyarewa bebre adokro nipa ho nyina
ya da se enti ede ne kan ye amenne enapaye mode mo ho abeso asene
enti no de ewom ni se de di kan ye to yensa afro bia se so any medical eyibia na condition bi ana obetumi to na anamo na Abajo Bet Memorial Herbal Center eno nso nto echi no eja ye celebrate e mame mu nyine eye Sunday show yi nyina no yesu yetu ye hu esi yo say ye beboa ye be support na ya hwe ye mame mu bi with free health screening enya ade nti no
mo beba ho abeseti ya pa
ye ba beseti ya bi
na yeso mo bantam o one mantam dia
ye the support no ba beta echi gidigidi nti mame mu abi personal doctor ekasa ye show ye be screenings bi go ho nti no eno an so ma beja we ni yeso ebetimi dia ye dia celebrate
enya ketwa kra
mame no
ma ya de dodo ne check ye BP no ne ye check ye cholesterol no ne ade
na ye be ye nyina ma ye mame no
ma ye mo contact ne hwe be bia mo clinic no
mpacho you na mpacho o hwehwe Adom Bet Memorial Herbal Center ye North Kaneshi Ogo Road Sakura Junction hona na say school junction yes na ye ejuma from Mondays to Saturdays na every Saturday bia no ye free health screening every Saturday bia ye free health screening na oba ye betimi ahwe na your numbers no so ye 0552 428 780 0552 428 780 ana 020 9559 216 020 9559 216.
Okay. Adom Bet Memorial Herbal Center. Ena anopaye no ma bedi nkomo no. Ntino numbers no na wo screen na se no frɛ won mo. Na Malke
Adom Bet
Malke yes malaria dro na sonkokra yese nsuo na wahwie ba ko asi hoi na nko obehwie immune booster de eso otete ando ntu wie pe no waja malaria de na immune booster de no so ato ho na ja afia me de boost mi mora no kakra enye mora me immune boost system no o de ba ya nkenye ni ntia no dog anopa ya mu ache wo ha efepa o Hana over and now we are another appointment. Yeah, why if too much? That's a papa. Na adwuma mo hoboko. If you so boko there. Yeah, that's it. Papa. Any die ma o number ne kakra ansa na ya start ye nkomo no kra.
All right. For number we na yentimi mo nkomo no abra yes free ha. Sir. Number no ye 0249
0249
200 555
0249
200
555 Star Health Clinic. Yes. Dr. Penina and Tia Brantia pa enti number no screen no ase yedi nkomo ya de omo de yi fibroid no ne ade de tatahwe e ma wo mu nsam fa beda ho obebo dog e mu ache na ase biem tie ne yeni nkomo e ne de ne ye hwe
ene na nka me pese ye hwe discussion bi but we do have adwena
asesa okay
me pese ye hwe last week ne ye discussion bi na oni ha me pese ye hwe the reason why African women amutanya fiber ni awode mu ha
ya samo ese da ho kwa no ofifi mu sa
no kro bi anim
sa
reason no because on say abrofo man so awode but omuntanya fiber omuntanya ovarian cyst polycystic ovary and endometriosis awode mu yawe omuntanya and the reason being that and say American Journal of Epidemiology omoye team bia omoye research say yawe bi ba mo America and I'm say almost started research be 2012 and no mu hu di ntia African women abribia munya awode mu yawe sa but white ni nya the ombe say sa na African women no omoye suban bi a white ni nye
okay
and say African women no omo tie de enku twi omuti that is one. Two, omo use hair relaxers and you be say hair relaxers no your chemical bi omo a equal system ni mu a equal disruptive hormones
yes
equal disruptive hormones no it disturb mostly the endocrine system ni ye or gland na secrety hormones no nti ekoba say oba tie twinity bribia
you ready
after use your hair relaxer
bribia na natural na you say there
nti o say your hair man no mo ye natural no omo ntai nya wo de mo yare o omo ntai nya
yewu
wo your chemical bi wo sa enku na omo de ye omuti no mu a it disturb endocrine system no
and say your mofra na e bo omuti twitwi omuti from day one na
from day one nti akwala bi o start aye menstruation nyina no we develop menstrual disorders we develop a wodi mu yare
and you ready then one me etinya anya brofu dey say
ye ono dey say dey fata no dey ama wi ba wo so mpe no nwanwa wo so mpe
why o dey ama wo so
o pese wo suya obi die and no na wo besia no o ye den because our chemical na ye de ka ho e friend folate wa be research no betumi aye and wa wo betumi use those chemical no more than more than 6 or 7 times in a year. We develop a fiber that in news.
Yes, a month to be a crocodile.
In news, we develop a fiber that would be so in news. Shall staff mammy. Indeed, baby now, of course, will be sad then at the fiber, but then at the fiber, but one major cause of it. And a hair relaxes, I mad cumutino. And sana umpo in your will be the amana hormones corona, the fiber never your hormones never imbalanced. And then now say, one for hair relaxer and duty. Na se udi nuani bi e be ma hormones na imbalance da aya bobo obi so nkosia ne mujanam ne ade ne nyina no eno so beboa ama hormones na bebro so a fiber ti benyi sisi a enti no se de bribia motai bisa no de moye na ankasa ena ko fa yawe ne de ba enti se otumi behu se nyama we obeye we untumi nye ana ho nkohia se obeye a na odi so a be de sa odi mu yawe ebeba na enya ba wie nso a the way I first treat yare no and so say asam for a whole topic for a day because a man or more yes on surgery on fibroids, you know, they are not comfortable with it because after surgery no crana wako BBM we no fibroid nessa fifibium and the say coffee co so jinam because after my myectomy that is surgery now by the fibroid ne free hono after few months or years no a sign back biome so just was sign surgery no another one biome and obia 2 times obia 3 times after also onye biome and eno enti na wo a wo mpesa o surgery no Star Health Clinic ye wo say alternatively ye wo kwan bi e be fa so treat a enche kra fibroid no betime free ho a ensan fifi biome we have a way of treating it e be ko because eno enti na ye expect wo awode yare a ebam enye fibroid nko awode mu yare ahodo bia Star Health Clinic na obeba e betimi aboa ye treating e free ho kra amotimi ado ho na sha no say Mother's Day na week here be week here you know I say from Monday here we enemy e ko nyina no first 100 people on beba Star Clinic branch bia no ye betwa scan am am free because Mother's Day there ye madia and I would enti na omo ye ma enti say maybe wa hwehwe a wo ache na won san kan eno enti no wani je nwie pay yo ne ade a ho behia say from now to next week nyina no obetimi aba Star Health Clinic na one more ye betreat o mu nyina no say fertility package ni e ya ma wo say ye yare fufuro bi ni ye treat ama wo ye besi ama 30% discount aside say ye twa scan ama free no ye besi ama 30% discount na ya boa na wo ba ye no ACP because oba waware no hwa wo na onya no ya na ha dwin ye bia ha dwin ye pa because ase obi ampene ase obi amakwan na ni njo
wa kra oba na wo na wo mpene wo ho ase
and you know ebi nso a muslim abebe na omunya wo ya na ene marketing kitibi because ye hu ade kro na sa wona mechire no ma wo adura there may be say maybe we develop uterine polyp bi and that polyp no ho na se bibi eda na ma kwan ma onyisan ya ana fibroid bi bibi eda no nya kwan nyisan ya no matter adura ya wo adura ye papa
yenye saade ni mfiri wa
mfiri wa obwa onyisan kro betumi asai along the line and you know we ya ma nyina adia and obetumi aba na ya gebre na ya hwe enya wodie mu nko a ya hwe na yesa nemum eho na ye expert ewo ya hwe ahodo bia nso no ya gebre treat was Star Health Clinic branch bia unim na ya branches no obahwe na obenya ya your kaswa otacity ho akwele otacity ho no mo Kumasi nso so ya ejuso kwamu for junction so ho a be Baptist church no sanso na benya osunya ne ofia pre bebia GN Bank first na omo na doma hinkunsi your SS local area ho a be Gift FM Jamai South so your Japekrom fitemo still number na ba kope entifa na de kire wadwen no bisa ni ntimi nyiwa no na bia na oba branch ho ye direct na bra number no 0249 200 555 this number no so bi 0249 200-555.
See, Dr. from Pong, and you know, Edim Common and Mano. From next week, you call your baby, take advantage. Now, call one more clinics, maybe. Na yenhwe wa wudiemu ma wo so whu wa wudiemu conditioner you are safe na entumemu aye wa hwe mama free no so no oba ho no mo so a wo 30% discount o say first
100 on beba branch
bia say you kuma say ye bi ana eye enkra kaswa ha opportunity no eni number no ene wo screen no ase no doctor na so na ete ha no awudiemu ho de odi agro ho pa obehwe and what can I say? Fibroid nko so a ɛhɔ no bra ɔmo ɔkwan ɔmo bɛfa so ɔmo bɛsiesie ayie a ɛmma biemu esi ɛwɔ ho kwan bebree ti doctor ni frɛ no na ɛne no ɛni nkɔmɔ ti dog bibi ɛni ho biemu
bibi deɛ bebree hɔ ɛbrɛ ne sa
yame adoma no watum ɛsɛ ɔbrɛ na yɛkɛse ehu nti yɛda doctor Frimpong ase papa se ne ɔno so ababa ma yɛ education fibroid ho nti ɛne natural na o ɛsɛ no mu a ankura no yɛwɔ foforo yɛnya wɔ mu ti ne twe na yɛnyɛ ne natural na mfama wo na sɛ relaxes no mu na ɛka ho ma fibroid na dɔɔso yɛne abrɔfo no ntam dia ɛne Awurade hu yɛ mo bo yɛ de atetrɛ ti mo a mo ban yɛ hwɛ ma ne sɛ mo mo ho ban enye late nso se meja me de na me na he natural na yɛ nyina yɛ bo yɛ ho ban e de free fibroid mu nti ne doctor wie foforo nso wɔ kyerɛkyerɛ me sisi me kwa ba nti na birthday wish no so me de ato aso twɛm sisi nti ma me nto birthday ne so me to aso de ade hia happy birthday nkɔma Adom CEO awoda Adom enti mame ento aso na me fa birthday wish no so ento aso nti Grace Aqua happy birthday nko Emma Grace Aqua oba penny nyame nhira mame nyame nya okese papa nko so anto nhransuo enwu oso JJ happy birthday nko Emma JJ happy birthday JJ nyame nhira nyame enya okese papa Leslie Tete Okasa Ashon Leslie Tete Okasa Ashon happy birthday enkomau nyame nhira nyame nya okese esi so be kese papa Mabel ejrowa Mabel ejrowa nyame nhira nyame nya okese Richard Ofori Jr. happy birthday boy nyame nya okese papa na onto onkwan nem Richard Ofori Jr. happy birthday nko emfa emma Rose happy birthday enko emfa emma Rose nyame enhira nyame enya okese pa happy birthday enko emma Rose enso enono Samuel Jan Pelu happy birthday nko brother me we guy Erade nhira nyame ma osomfra domu enko domu nyine be ni petitio Stella Ama Aqua happy birthday nkoma Stella Ama Aqua Stella papa bi nyame nhira nyame nya okese pa mamefa birthday wish no ensi na afe mentoa me nkomodie no eso na ni nyina no eye enapaye nyame ya adom baso kwasia day nti ye nanom celebrate me pa na me hu soya flour for ewo ha bibia omo bread say ede sa wodi soya ye brodo eye super pacho me mama kwa ba la bibia boko de yada mo ase papa me dofo nyame adom me nua be me na me hu ne hada ba wo de eja wo ho a wo ba na edi enkomo na mo fa bread ne ayi ni bia ma de mudi soya ba afa na nam kwazo ebeba esa nke ba wo ha ntino fine enti eni nkomai soya flour fasodia ewo soya so ne eni ma hodo ebetumi de soya no aye
good morning
wo mo joso
na it was the last year ba ha ye soy campaign ho ye ka ho asem na it's important say be a balanced diet na soy food source are very rich in protein into na ye ka ho asem say obia find where all the soy be kan eduane ho on bedi na campaign started from last year na ye ka soy flour ho asem ingredient all the cow baked products ho increasing the protein level na other benefits. A campaign a year run on behalf of the American Soybean Association and the World Initiative for Soy in Human Health. And the Ghanaian partners from Yedent Agro Group of companies.
Yedent?
Yes. In the campaign, Nitiana say, Mundi Soy, Mamo.
Sir, I'm going Papa ho. Na Papa free a hine buy.
I'm made for bread boutique.
Bread boutique.
Me patron.
And into one for bread back.
Ah, so bread ni nam kwan so.
And I'm quite so ba. Ah, bread no ya de soya na aye.
No I be na dia aye.
Into me unu bread say na soya no eti say wo mu na feel no so to say ne dan so to say.
Yo many of me da say. Me fa kwanya so ada ache ahwefo nyina ene atiefo nyina
de ohu no problem
kakra bas ye be ni kakra me say bakers bebre en sheda ennim infasode e wo soy flour no ye discover magic e wo soy flour no ya ye wo bread boutique ehun say ye customers hu hia ye pa na aduane mu ahoden a e wo soy mu no ehun hia say ye di soy flour be ka ye bread no se na be ye be no more rich se na be obia benya benefit e wo soy flour no na enye ni nutritional value no nko haponti ba ema bread ne eto
okay
eye mfa so de nti na obia digwa anti wodi soy ne ka prodo no ho a ema ne to kama ema ne texture no so ye fe okay na ema emredodo ese pan no edi e wo chef no so eche
okay
anti we monti
ko to ya na ehura mu afufu
da okay anti soy flour no eye pa na ye be to obia fo se omunye na emfa omo jim
sa brodo tonfo nya menya so se brodo nko a big
you know pastries anything bakery can
so this ya discover so ya no now they are
yes
it tastes near different
very different
fine ti we no bread boutique for na aba ha ti ma me ko me nua ba no so na apart from pastries na bakery niema no de biem na soya nso ye betumi de aye wo say e free na kure ye de kan nua ne ho
the most common thing amuni agushi so woni agushi a wo betumi the soy flour no o de nso kakra mix ya e betumi aye agushi ama o and I say because soy is very rich in protein woni enam kwa we duane ni mu a
enam na we
balance ama
so mfa so no nya no
soy protein the only plant protein source any meat ne other animal sources no on the same level
okay
into this soy protein to say we di enam yeah and campaign the reason I can bread ho asem ye training with other companies bread bakeries to say bread boutique it say Ghanaians omope brodo
yeah no crow
oh sorry no pa when did ka brodo ni kosia
ya nim he omo sisi ho sa
it's important say anopa no start with day right. You are what you eat. Oh sorry, when you say with the balanced diet, you have all the nutrients, the energy to start your day right. And you're training a year last year for about 61 bakeries. Ghana, you're training how to properly use soy flour. And some of the top brands to say bread boutique or buy. Into this year, you're going a step further. You start to say commercial scale soy bread. Now, it's very important that after all the variety, when you milk bread, sugar bread, wheat bread, at least when you say this soy bread, that when you're full complement of the meal, or balanced diet.
Okay. And yeah, I for about I'm sure say crown so she bet me day. Afra wo monuane. And she say training we mo ye wie dada na.
Yes, starting. Yene bread boutique mono
okay.
Last year mo baby until when you say new training. You improve on the year last year.
Okay.
Now you started soy bread no on a large scale into the bread boutique has it.
Sir, but what can ya bread boutique for any opportunity? So being so here or also enya like for so was so ya no so no almost so pebi. Better no ma on board no so training
on bet me afraid your numbers so almost screen so
okay
just almost the numbers not to screen
I number no okay
more freya you better mo say now mo be call process anymore
okay
then no the next set of training
okay
for this set of training they are selected that
and I once a year
yes
training oh did you say nyambo next year to
Beba sisia.
And no here.
Nti ene omo be kasa na ye no a plan na ya bo omo. But in the interim no, you bet me provide omo with some, resources.
Okay.
On bet me dia start.
Okay. Okay. Ti me hwe me screen no so a brodo no na mo ye no. Oh, okay. I see. Because brodo de di. Enti se ye nya so ya de ni bia ebeboa ye papa na mo office no wo he na ye hunu se mo ni so ya fo na ye adwuma de ya ba ho aba betobi
me da say ye branches ni de do so pa.
Okay.
Ye will be wo Dansoma Ave Maria bus stop in Chanhwa.
Okay.
Be so Polyclinic Junction Labadi Haya.
Oh, okay.
And Wodo Spinters Community 18 Junction. Ye will be wo.
Okay.
Tama Community 5 First Traffic. Just opposite First Baptist Church.
Okay.
Ebi wo Uko University of Professional Studies UPSA. Ye wo omo opposite ho.
Okay.
Fafra ha uko be dodo wa kwan no so. E wo Mante Farms ho a branch ho.
Okay.
Achimota. Ye wo adjacent Kantanka automobile showroom.
Oh. Okay.
Ye wo bi wo Mankensin White House, Takoradi. E bi wo airport runabout Kumasi, e bi wo Bantama, Benefit Pharmacy. Ye go so more branches.
I address no so benya bia. Aha ma ye wo contact ne kakra.
Ye contact every branch bia ne contact ye wo. But wo pay your main contact na 054 me back akra.
Enti ene na me no wie wo last comment na me jene na.
Echna ye ne brem ye be some activations.
Okay.
E wo bread boutique branches was Spintex Dansoman and UPSA.
Okay.
Ye be my nkofo aba no mon tasty soy.
Ochina na be Wednesday.
Echna Wednesday 10 May. Ye started free 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Mombra Dansoman, Spintex and UPSA branches.
Madina ho. Okay.
Na mombe tasty so ye enhance bread no.
Okay.
Na mon kan share mo man ye feedback.
Okay.
Na mon ton bi so.
Sa. Mo tonton bread no. Mo to we bi enton ma ye ni. Right na do so. We movie fra na tumi aboa system no. Papa number no
0244 62 6454.
Okay, say sisu bi.
0244 62 6454.
And no. And soya flour for so contact no and the screen as no. Mama say bibi any hobi.
Oh, nti mundi soy.
Sir.
Mun try say mudiane at least a day soy wo mu. Ebeboa ama mu nya balanced diet. Ne meet mu protein needs.
Sir.
And soy bread na ye ba be ye no so. Mun call bread boutique branches no na mun to.
2 p.m. Kwa no ko tasty. U tasty na show demo no wato. If you walk on no say ono ma di nsa so ti me da mo ase papa yada sentino yenkomo no yede asi ewa ha na happy birthday nkoma Mabel Amaki Gawe level 300 student awo anchor 4 psychiatric training college nyame nshraw papa nyame bambo ne nyekese wo so yenua be makwa me anum chemanu na we show happy birthday Mabel Amaki Gawe level 300 student anchor 4 psychiatric training college yada omo ase papa enti ye na ye kwa basisi a me wo ba ko bi so wachire ye ba ye beto aso uguso no ye di enkomo ahodo na Westco Investment Limited for ya womde oba aba na mesanya wo mu ifise na paye ye nanom kwasiada senyame amapa de ambedi amelesu celebrate mo sonko kwan sokra fise oba fodo ho ababo ye die na ze bia ewu anya oba spaghetti ubenya bia di wo mo rice na opa ubenya bi e de obapa memo akwa aba na bibia aboko de
bibia
ye de nyame ase papa ma yentie Westco Investment Limited for yentie mo nsam kakra oba de
Oba spaghetti.
Sa. Ena de hi bi na musa wo niam.
Ye wo oba milk. Ye wo oba oats. And no crowd dey fufura
bad. Oats in there maintain.
It's still cooking.
Oh wow.
Bebe drop it soon.
Simple cry. Ye train when na de hi bi.
Oh, ye wo oba rice. And oba sardine. Oba mackerel.
Na say self-contained.
Oh, yes.
So ko market say wo kwa ye rice ho ade bia. Either so your rice water will be here milk na eba no.
Exactly.
And I say jollof.
Most of the crowd
wojum dada.
Exactly.
Yenim komo na yen share. Ye kan Westco Investment Limited and ye nyimako ben.
Oh, Westco Investment Limited. Jumoko yeton spaghetti, rice, oba milk, and an yerba so ye oba oats, fufra eba,
wow. Into women na ye can wear dramaso.
Ane, but oats nana enyamba,
but milk and rice and spaghetti na die ono ne kofa ba ono ye PSC
exactly any rice oba rice
sa ye hunu wo dwama so pa na afi mu se mo so ya sen mu ne ya adwuma ena paye na mi hira me disi ye de oba na sa ba ye we na prokope e de ne enhwe ni mu nyame ya doma kwesiada
nyame ya doma ye ka multimedia group ne ho ama ye celebrate ye maame no ye nanom aja ye see adoptive mothers nso de omo ye sronko and only golden heart you can't cater for another person's child na akola no so abefra se me maame and take it into wase patience and endurance into no went na yaka boom with multimedia group Adom FM ni Adom TV celebrate ye maame no kwasi adawe obia meka ye ho na mane nye fe ye mane nye de na nka se maame ye mawamu
ye mama yiko maame ba de no free mo e de ya na me bi be su kakra package mba ya ma ye fine kana obatan bi a wo hwe ni timunya nde no onsore mra de package na mo wo e de ma na o mbeba ho da kwesi
this is not our first time and your first time yes this kind of program intino mo amunim se na ye no ye de mo beba ye de sardine ni bi beba ye de mackerel ni bi beba
ti mo hye na mo ma emra so
exactly
ese mo ye do
ase package ne wanya bi de akofi
because me hu se de
na se na ya decision no
so that mommy ji ade no say me be wa hye mani mo nyam okono obie so hu se bi
na ne ni age na efie nso eni age ne nkwara ni na
mo no boarding ti se uba form maye omo emo bag ba ko na so ne wi ne sa ti eda mo se ba product ye kwadwama so a ba
bia wo ho ena aye se eja celebration of mothers nintino yatiso ama yen distributors no and so from the distributors no onbehwe mu keke and onbehwe mama na ye fe nti ye da mo asese mo afre ye na eni akonya de chia ye customers
na ye bia na distribute obi so person o family ma bi contact bi o ho a
and ye were various distributors e were various regions
no obi foforo no afi no person ono ni mu ye adwuma
no problem and obetumi afre ye e were 030 030 250 1667 030 250 1667
okay
and wo baby nso a ewo a ye betumi connect with ya distributor na no need to over drag it from heart
yo ne obapa me fa unsi hey yeda se bibia ni ho biom dia
eno ano no
yeda se papa enti no aha na brama so na yenkomodie nyina mede mo asie meda se pa mra ne adaje a wotena se tie sa nkomoyi enyina ebie nyame show me ko na asemedika kwesinsia ayekra do wie pensem nso ewo ho a eba ono abumre kuduka happy birthday ohene ye Messi esiedu happy birthday nkomao nana yebo asuama ai nyame show onkwaso nyo kese pa yeda munyina ase midi afia amankwa atamakro da sene anaachena se nyame ya adom na de pa bi chie pa yebesa ba me enu atoaso yeda se
babiem eba mache ebre ewieli seri asemidika ebebro begiri so ho ye baby bia obia anopai semua dos de but I think we should concern say atwe adwensi so emema na motu woni tade si e mayo na so bo mo todwe eye sesi ye di mo chiama dipo ye ba betwem wo ye mam ye nyankwada virgins emfa nye dipo ade munya sa ade no ene mpanifu a mo ne mo frei esimoni so ehrum kwadai be kum ni fa ta ade dia da wujinu yase ambai se sabu munti ye ba betwa dipom enye saade munyai Mamentia Education Minister BM Dr. Yao say educhim so ho ye de ame ase. Ye de sa asem ye kana sa resource na papa bia hye dem firi ma ye ntwa so ne ntwa so kina until se be hu sam ye ho adwuma. Enra Mrs. So ede kire about Anum Asamoah Senior High School to show TV ni so a school no na ye de atoso no. Say the school ne farban etie. Enkwada tinwiase ene canopy school ne rente. A bobla a chalkboard see anymore and it's like what I na wo hwe TV this was an enye ba bi o se Ghana ha ya atwema kwangoma mainstream Asante region Asante man tema sem na making wo hwe TV this so Anum Asamoah Senior High School in 2018 na Ghana ban agi se ono ankasa school yi obehwe sa school yi a free senior high school no ehya ye somewhere 2017 yana school no egina naso yana school penfo ekrom kakra sa no na pressure no because na school students be brain no sa at that time na make kai na students be around say 50-60 be but free senior high school buy ye pia mofra edugum no ama pressure aba school no so because one school in share any classroom sa et na enwiase school na gasa so kura nwia kura okra sa ehada noso e di school pen for rent canopies and akwada ti ase a ye kire mo ade Anum Asamoah Senior High School education minister so otimenka eno ye ka wie ye no padam nya ne tie se atwema kwangoma district education directorate and pen for be se num 5 atu cars mienu akosukuma ba ku ye pick up ba ku ye saloon cars me ka se mamu se ne kan ye dwan kontompo me kire cars am no call registration number dey front to you ba ku ye pick up ba ku ye saloon car ti cars to na penfo num etina mu de call Anum Asamoah Senior High School o mako yes na situation no etie ba see that things are in the pipeline no and never pipeline much no do because education director ya wo atwema kwangoma this is not the first time wa mo face school di e ma ne ko ese se be ye kantina mo kwa bi amama fo nsem wo ye bibi we want to see you working ya bo for it me nko so entina nwiase ene canopy ase emfa nsuade Mese school the population kona nim e chance na school ni tie way back 2017 and I go for some pressure at the aba school ni so and they be an academic GS assembly say Ghana Education Services so and making sure say school na yesi abeje kwada say no so one pass say or more the capability a headmaster be tell me no ka say oh me school betimi afa kwada 24 it should end there. Anything at district BM yawo education director and an education directorate all them no wakasa so to na mo enkosu ko ye say e kwada na yesi betimi afa school betimi afa na e no crazy school no capacity because maybe atwema kwanguma senior education directorate se butu na wana kam ko school no mu a e ka ye mfa kwada bebre enkopi so saa Someone can say dictate to an amount school one as the number of students at school Nakasa Crabet me afar. And Pian can come copy, sir. So the question minister back to you. I offer show TV no so. Adom TV. I offer. See a Cassia Mofra a Timiase. School side in the sika already school Nakasa Crest, get the boss school brand and shut down. School Nakasa side in bottoms Cassa rent canopies. Now day. After baby, ya teach your school about bedroom. After you rent canopies, and then yes, you about blackboard was here, some from letters near somebody. I could do sound my ben over to me, and yes, you are here. And from a for betrayed me. Maybe you're waiting or betrayed me. I hope cry you betrayed because baby, I would think yes, I hold you also, oh, yeah, look God. BPPOC a year and ne ekosi ochina to make sure say Anum Asamoah Senior High School enya ne me sefatet mi abo mofra no esua ne akoma pam no yenya mo education minister say who come and pani akufo da ban ya ministry ye wo budget pa e your ministry ye wo budget pa e your ministry etiade ti wa ade a wudi woni ehwe Wo de wow, hwe wo tena wo di minister. Ona be your said it. Tena wo di na hwe ade a wa kasa do ani ehwe o TV sui wa Adom TV. Etu eyo fe minister eyo fe. Opening. Ekusi da bay. Enema yakasa betime kakra de support ye onso no. This year kwan wo ho saa ekwanya be kokko be chire obetimi yo so na oni education minister nye free. But ade ekoso no enye. Eti like me kan no atwuma kwanguma education director. Onu apamfo asoma ma nipa num akwa situation no. Say report bi osam de ba mo famran tentem. Report be or somebody baby Emran because I also don't want to believe that this should be your first report about Anuma Samuel in high school. Because this shouldn't be your first report. Na ne akono send and pen for aye edi afa ho. Dia na pen for aka edi afa ho. Edu amene DC Ana Prince Kakarika say na wasem de onabo enya kura o. Enye Nyoka kire me kire say you are not on top of your district. And yet, but and yet, be proactive. Why? And try to them, sir. This age, when you're done now. Mampany cross ropie, Mampany Gufado. Or no again, and you're not crashing a sacropia. Now, while they stretch a work, a career shows at Makwama. There be and run, come on, me dear, no. I just say, when you're on top of issues, crowd or district, and yet, and I'll buy and say, hey, there be a no. I don't know, but see, honorable, I said everything serious. And no smart catch them, no. Dangerous. For DC, yeah, power me Santini. There be opening to Tonema, time, and yet, but my spell, I want to believe, say, you work on it. Why? Then when you are a man, pen for so cannot, most of Koshena, then I don't catch them, then your credit, fata, say, as a banam sini workers assembly time to maminya fema time and no kind time bon this is say if you're on top of issues and you no kind of e ka wonka time menya sa de no why but I say ya menke nyina o magana kadefo abadwen ye ho Badwam ye tumpa ko ye nim so man na wie period ya man be din dia kwasensia pese mu eto Emfa Emra Badwam Jumedi so Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 na Go TV channel 119 here so Facebook Adom TV YouTube so Adom TV ja comment ye beje ne brepam ya kenkan nyina edi amayefa na sekese enkoma Franco Trading Enterprise makato se phone papa na dwoso Franco Trading Enterprise ona akwa benya iPhone Samsung Nokia phone bia watin dia which is papa bia wako Franco Trading Enterprise on sabe can be over TV 32 to 65 inches me say saying ECG for me atoto nkane abo mutinkane abo ayedin ento air condition bia kekemfa more dem e ma ne nkotwe enmode nkane adwihwim ekofa ka bia meja so unya Franco air condition ena e papa na betwe kane aketu ebesa ma dem so achele hwemo e won kran tema kuma se miamia wodo bia abeko bia bo Franco Atena from 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 Franco Trading Enterprise or still phone papa efi and one safari tissue and so any open tissue their power fifra a safari tissue open tissue their power so there we are a safari tissue eti chop bar restaurant for the mu here no a safari tissue na make am for at the mouth edwama so be abeko bia so per safari tissue is as na badwa so ne papa obia agi atumo be so me nua ba sabo so me so na so bu nsa oti pains pa ibe wo high blood pressure o sugar level no e wo soro e ho ana onsa e no nan agitititi ne fe ne se ananse e ba bachimni bi me se wada entrance sa na e fe no ananse no any stroke e na enam e be hawo etiade amekanfo de ama e ye piwak garlic mixture piwak garlic mixture eno ene ade a wo hia na etimi aboa e sa ya de oni ya wo bi afre ni padwem frɛ 0248 928 824 Shopiko eye Danny Heba ewo Kumasi an sabe kan bi ho Albert Sam Hotel Heba so kwa an sabe kan bi takwade so AA Mensa sunyan so Green Light Pharmacy okwa an sa ebe kan bi otufo and frɛ 0248 928-824. Richoko enso na no peno na ebodi aguebo ni aye kama esanse na obia age ede atomo zest consult ni opeso to kwan ekwa abrochire ekosua de sanya scholarship a eye zest consult de betimi abomada romentene Ghana de share bese 2000 nya kwanya esua de wo UK and US hwom sese no mo enti emu aframo e was 0555 631 633 0555 631 633. Abejafo atrase ba bedi Komola ya Chimbare by a member of NDC National Communications Team. Kofi Tonto a government spokesperson. Mameko amansu eni komo wetew emfa emra head of policy edema research edema Dr. Kwabradefo campaign eye Kofi Kukubo. Owa amansu eni komo isa so me krata bia koma NDC penfo se ebeya campanifo postpone NDC presidential prime minister never so memory that way DB entia abaditi akai mo acha no pay eba Adom TV so. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
Yeah, good. I'm patron so eh.
Yaminado.
Yeah, dey amiase. Afa yare buami antia se mo reason parentia do for campaign epsem pen for postpone the presidential prime minister of NDC come Saturday.
Yeah, pardon me, let me speak English.
Okay.
As of today, Dr. Kwabradefo and his team do not have the full complement of the voter register or the photo album. And the voter register or the photo album is a base document that will be used on the day of election. So one of the reasons why we are asking for the postponement of the election is because 4 days to election, the voter register or the photo album is not complete. We have 276 constituents. Manchester has a problem, so we have 275 problems. As of 4th May 2023, the elections committee only handed only 220 photo albums representing 220 constituents out of the 275 constituents that the elections are going to be undertaken. Clearly, it is established fact that the base document, which is a legal requirement that must be used for the elections on the 30th, is not complete. Nobody goes into an election with an incomplete record. Point number one. Point number two, the 220 constituencies of photo albums that were handed over to Dr. Kwabradefo team on the 4th of May is fraught with several irregularities and inaccuracies. What do I mean by irregularities and inaccuracies? There are photos of one person duplicated all around under different names and under different ID numbers. There are about 74,000 on that voter register do not have any picture. Some do not have any. The only thing they have is name, only their name. Which position they hold in the party, not stated. How old they are, not stated. Whether they are male or female, nobody knows. Whether they are even qualified to vote as a voter in the country, we don't know. So they are saying that those people who are put on a subsidy list, that means those people who cannot be validated in any form, will also be allowed. That is subject fraudulent and panic.
Okay, so Kofi, before sir we proceed or no, way, these 44 people independently, what me verify say they qualify to be on the album, and the speculation you must say.
It's not speculation. We did assessment of the people. They're not speculating at all. We do not speculate. You cannot go into this speculation. We have 220 photo albums representing 220 constituencies.
Okay.
We did assess. That's why I use the word assess. It's not based on speculation.
So officially, much the AMA party need to correct these anomalies before coming out say party and postponing primaries.
The party has received all our letters, all our requests, all the analysis that we have made. We have presented all the facts to the party.
So party now responded to how they are going to deal with this concern, and I said they are not minding until now what is our threat to ever.
Well, we are waiting for the official response. As I speak today to you now, we don't have any official response.
So if some more change official response from the party, why do you then jump the gun and call on the party so I'm postponing such a primary?
I don't get that question.
Maybe as I said, if I feel more change official response from the party, why do you then jump the gun, calling on the party say I'm postponing the presidential primary?
Okay, maybe you didn't understand what the base document, that is the document that must be used for election, is a voter register. And we are saying that as of today, the National Elections Committee has not completed the voter register. How do you go to election without a voter register or incomplete voter register? That's why we are saying that postpone.
So
we have officially written to the party.
Okay.
So the party is aware.
Okay.
That Dr.
So Kofi, party election guidelines, no. Sieko Abatosua, Brebe now say the candidates no should receive the album. Is it a week before the election?
21 days to election.
31 days to the election. 21 days.
Yeah.
And now the Bena Monsaka the 220 albums.
On the 4th. On the
4th of May.
Yeah, just last.
Is it because someone side and Kwana Munyan on the 4th of May and I say the other two competitors no enya dada?
Well, we cannot, I cannot speculate. We did not have.
Okay, so
we were
party natural mudientia. Party natural mudientia or one to me and for album now, mamo 21 days before the elections.
Because I believe, because if it's the 21 days, it's 220. That means the voter register is not complete. The voter register is not complete. So maybe that's why they were not able to hand it over. It's not complete. So even this one, we have to force them before they say, oh, we have only 228 complete. So they are putting it on our hard drive. They put it on our hard drive.
How will you respond to this?
It's not even 228, it's 220.
Okay, so how will you respond to this? If people say this is a defeatist approach, yeah, Dr. Kwabena Dufour, and back you on.
I mean, if they refuse to listen to the postponement. Hello?
Will Dr. Kwabena Dufour pull out if they refuse to postpone it?
Why should he pull out? Why should Dr. Kwabena Dufour pull out? Well,
will Dr. Kwabena Dufour injunct the primary?
We are going to invoke all legal actions to ensure that the voter register is complete and has met the requirements of integrity to ensure free and fair elections.
If it does not happen, so it means one of the legal process near say Obeko Court Akosiki for injunction. Will Dr. Kwabena Dufour press that button?
It's one of the possible actions, but I believe in the wisdom of the National Executive. The facts that we are presented to them, I believe they will postpone it.
Thank you very much.
But we are open to all legal action.
Okay. Kofi Kukobo, a policy analyst, Dr. Kwabena Dufour campaign to nam say no chain and common about. Kata Omria Koma Party and Penfo say on to say album no koye adwuma memre day ebe wie pay no. Omon to chain abato no ensign. But John Dramani Mama so calling for peace in the primary. Say what is some focus on NDC addition war a statement if the man table or challenge or see should be a no yes sir and madam Nebjafo and Chom Commander say.
Some people like conspiracy theories, and this one doesn't like this one and this one are quarreling. Count me out. I have no enemy in the northern region. All of them are my younger brothers. Hudu Yaya and Co started it. And then we are the next generation after Hudu and Co. And I know that Haruna and all of them are the next generation after us. We will finish and hand over the power to them. They would lead us. And so let us all be together. Those who have been putting out conspiracy theories, hiding and recording tapes and insulting everybody. If you are a true NDC, what you are doing is rather dividing the party, not uniting it. If you are a true NDC and you are hiding and you are recording audios insulting your fellow NDC, then what you are doing is you are dividing the party, you are not uniting the party. And so we are united. There is no problem between us. And we're going to work together. We're going to win the election of 2024, and we're going to put Ghana back on its feet. I thank you very much.
Okay, so John Dramani Mama and much of Chemi, a drum may come for a amount for menstrual pains, high blood pressure, high sugar level, no, a 3p garlic mixture. 3p garlic mixture. And I'm Pachokwa Bontina Kotoa, Kaidino, so 3p garlic mixture. And I saw a mujamroswo, sugar level no, a was slow, or baboons, and I say, no amane, on Sano 983, a drawing a 3p garlic mixture. Pebito Oak Masi, Danny Herba, and a fe Colinac, ho ewo Abet Sam Herba. Takradinso AA Mesa, and a fe Sunyanis Green Light Pharmacy. Okwansa, ebe can be at Tobaja Fortress, if I'm mono, and just go Facebook, Neja comments or. Ya bejina kenkan area ma. Kanso bokore. Yes it. Ede ya miase. Ozo we. Mesu ho ye pa. Ko fi ehye here.
Oh, nyame adom bibia bokom.
Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia what is say?
Oh, Christo adom. Na ho ye.
Okay.
Enyina ye sonfo.
Okay.
Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia. Doctor. Osum o my Ghana. Nshisheye ahoro egu akwan mu se ne be ya obra kwantu a Ghana ye nam so a sabio oweni kakra beto ye no.
Okay.
Nyama betimi akoyi amai.
Okay.
Tie ho
me hunu daily guide and say Bawumia goes home for blessing.
So call ni krom wale.
Okushia party mpenefo na busua.
Yeah.
So peso to na mombe.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, my penny abedi actually a name penny for be brave akasa. And then the chrome one koye.
Okay.
Or yet a lot of private engagement. On say, o maya ye woman, you are mamrene and money. And at the opposite ye beer, you want penny for beer, as all common say a costre or more empire, costre or more adventure. Nti nanse obehwa one MPs for share enyo omonkwa one clergies one council of elders we party mu one senior members of our society.
Okay.
Omo ya fa omo ni ya fa.
Okay.
Ono omo nyina share in private engagement. Okay. Business people wo man mu one bi mu astati e share obeto akoso ni bebre share. If you say omo ni esi ahene ni etu ahene.
Okay.
Enti odi sankita hudie no ade ani die ama Ghana ni bia sabe panyimfo ne ono mu a oman ekura wo. Enti okọ ni kuro mu a sabe ba bia ofiri die ni nchire no no. Eso ne ne manfo ekodi nkomo. Enti mra so a ebedi hu nkomo.
Okay.
Nsem de bi wo ho. You can na lawyer or na nimba ko na ba na chi ba ko make me party ho asem na ho papa on sa kwa de mi TV da asem be ni so na party asem na da paso aye beka na ye busa me party asem na ko anim no abo achi ala so a police drama na say dem
ba ko fi quick one on this Bawumia thing na
yeah
so penny o kan de amanfo a ewo gidi o Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia mu nya gidi se kianeke obe pray man penny di breni bi
inshallah.
Okay. Lawyer Chumberema, a member of the NDC National Communications Team, or a nimni papa, UK, Nigeria, Ghana, and what I did in Juma. Lawyer, this Muboko. 13th May 2023, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Elections in Bebaso. Okay. Okay, come on, Dr. Baumia, so Okoni Krum.
Na mesi kame ni bi ase o twemi wura mu nti nse mi ko man ka bi de.
Oh, men ka se kan bi. Me se o ko ba na bi ba ka se kan bi.
Ye na me twa no na nya mu de mbon na me twa. Interview ya ansa na ya o ba yesu. Okay. O kan bi na ya tire me kai se man trans ade ko na na me note na se be bi se be bi aso bi sa mu ansa na se be kan de ya. Then we will know how to talk about it. Na nya mu de mpo. Na ba mu na se won de se also where the over penny.
Are they qualify?
Nti ono occurrence of catch Ghana for so obey your money. Okay. Oba kan say natural Ghana for. Say me be di man penny am your money. Obi nya kan say be Ghana for there. E wona ntu abom. Ana oba catch Ghana for say economy ni ba me man na ni mas atena kwa mu yi. Oba ka bi. Ebi an occurrence in campaign. Yeah, but they do but the overcome be an answer to whom I ever know.
Okay.
Because I'm just I did them in I say on one wasn't back. If you use your resources well and do not steal them through corrupt activities, you can produce more and create more jobs.
Dr. Baumia.
Baumia, June 23rd, 2016.
We Twitter now.
Aye. Ubi some say General.
You be tweet hongo.
Oh, no hongo. Enti me try say.
Mate.
O hwe de
da we ya me sunu obi
a say.
O de mate.
Say ono se ye ni mayi a.
Okay.
But nyame so ncha de no. Open pet o ma mu se ye manage the affairs of this country. We're number 2.
Okay.
We're number 2.
Okay.
Ghana ha nyina o sing nyina liar. The first person in Nakufo, the second person in the queue. Muhammad Baumia.
Okay.
Nti se beko yi a agroba so a efra na fa.
Okay.
What ya na ya pense ya pressure be ma yehu. Because me ntia wo hope man bani ani. Anyway, back to the NDC issue. 23 sorry, come Saturday.
Yeah.
I don't do mo yan. I'm sorry. Be sabre ya credit and it's I mean various constituencies and then the regions no. Obi as an appear tier the minimum government so be submitting the venue for the Congress and as
okay.
I can say election venue or whatever.
Yeah, and say binya greater Accra there no.
Oh, obi are there ready. I mean, yeah, just be as a region be obi who be there, but me say constituency bia makum bia no so far no so be submitting there. Me constituency for submit this time God me am crew man kasampo na no de cause some obi adne de ko nyame adom a memenda no anapa I mean delegates from all the branches or yen enyina baba.
Okay. Ehina moye.
999 sorry.
Ehina moye no.
As in obi e no that's me media specifically na.
Oh mumu nye Congress.
No. We dey no across the constituencies.
Oh, okay.
And constituency be able to choose one venue for it.
Sure. There's no national rally.
No. Okay. Yeah, this time they breaking down. Obi anya there.
As say delegates na do over 200,000.
Oh, yeah, delegates number so now say 9 when you 9 per police station.
Okay. Hey.
Until 999 this if be as a war constituency e be am kuta be like let's say 100 police stations.
Yeah.
Times 9.
900.
900 and never. Me dey about 700 something almost 800 people. And abana ekoto.
Hey.
Yeah, ndi edoso.
Numbers no.
Edoso, yeah. Ndi Max also was the nipa 999 nyina ba be gusa bi agreta akra kwasi.
Okay.
Unya na grandma mo no. Nti no this time the omo be boy. Nti memenda no obi a no constituency bia be group at one point now what police for you together.
Okay.
Then as more to more parliamentary candidates nipa do it na no more to presidential no.
Okay.
Yeah. Emo be no nsia de na se bia nkwa nkosi kosera na pade.
Na no be di nkuni ba especially MPs ndie enwumere na obehu hye.
Oh na ndie se ne wa no tia. Nti wa beti anu atia but me de bia wasem ba kwa make kan say wotehwe a mfa patapa make kan bia. Bra na nyina nkwa adwuma.
Dr. Kwabedi for a threat
to them.
Ne posture, ne demeanor, ne reactions to near be a echo so party nim. Calling the party say be yan come postpone elections no. Na mon sort out album na mo de koto aba no se ne be ya wantwi bia entimi emmem.
Because me that just before my answer a question, me quickly, me mate back Narayana was saying yako.
Okay.
Or contest or contest out with the region.
Okay.
And she wants me then and me try and pen me text say we not worry on couple moment send it. Narayana. So me catch our text now me say su a na worry and kawa. Then we turn judgment. But back to your question because
okay.
Dr. Dufo is not a threat and will not be a threat.
True.
I mean to anything. Whether to the party or to whatever, to the NDC, BBM on your threat. Okay. But the issues that were raised here now, we interview the policy director, also the policy director, analyst. Policy analyst.
Yeah.
No, I'll take you down one or two things, which I know, say, I think as of last week, I knew they were still working on
the
album seminar. But me, I'm a constituency crano. Nipani be a contestant, one of them was telling me, say, oh, who final lesson as of last week.
Okay.
Minimum say be an at the end and second day, they're fair enough. But as of last week, no, catch them and send candy because you were there in the constituency, acquired macro and no or candidate. But I know say they are compiling it. So they catch a macro, a police station, be a branch, be a nipan nine.
Okay.
All the executives. So the branch chairman, the branch organizer, the woman organizer, the youth organizer, Sanwa, 9 people.
Okay.
Inti obi out check it what they are. We say be a branch, sorry, me constituency here, you know. Me could any less say 2,000, me could any 500, me could any 700. And the 700, you know them because what common chain on a campaign. So what I say? What common chain? I can win once a match room. At room here, yes, or one top. Because the Papa Dr. Dufo, Wako. Umushano Bosso. So what I say? James Abaho, on the channel was no. Could be I mean, too sure, so no accordia. I'm not too sure, but at least these two I know, and I've given you the avenues.
But this is also Murray say, or say album, no candidate in second 21 days before.
Me know you have been prepared. I mean, those things, who's a cinema when I administrative issues. So that's it. Administrative issues, and normally, if I'm not mistaken, the general secretary is in charge of the party's administration. So that's it. It's Yankee Kamoy, maybe, and I did say, I mean, who will take, is it Glory or whatever? From it, Medina, from knowing the delegate list.
Election, it be possible.
Oh, but I can see. What I mean, you're telling me now, bro. Let's say 3 months ago, Grandpa. Now, we so that's it.
But probably be a sokuta proper list now. Now, so be dim kukua. Ubet me and what you may ye abedim kunim.
And you know anything. Mpana and Okusho on the door. No, good. You have met them. You spoken to them.
Be a registered background and power show Mukwa baby Ukraine.
Oh. Said administration because branch officer be no enter am yet to constituency no when the secretary bank and abaka say man law for man can be enter man bian kotu we one na yet no
ba mafia system no
because eh said administration be an go for mo na me for one number ko no the kind of spirit that what branch executives ni emu no would na na some ba
obeto awie de be since
no any possible because I don't me kan kra me kai yi constituency executives.
Okay.
Me monitoring was in constituency.
Yeah.
Me to man to be there, but me your friend was saying officers in chain. I couldn't see me to and me show more. And they were going branch by branch. They call their names. Who about the wide card member? So me I was seeing I'm a branch chairman. You say who do was a branch member. Me I take answer about no. So how can I say
the lawyer said you ask a woman na quite simple say rigging elections no with
you are going too far. Rigging it
difficult, but already concerned.
No, but they are not saying they are not. They didn't raise issues about rigging.
But he's talking about maybe I can college. Let's say.
But there be I'm one can rigging master. Was it
some can a nipa a qualifier so met me at Wabano.
Mitian for I say 275 constituencies in the Okroma. Yeah. Only 275.
Well, come somewhere to 276.
Almost the universal 276. Okay. So 276 I was almost the last one the fourth a year 220. 220 let's say 55 56 constituencies and MI.
Yeah.
Na kwasi do na ba do the aka anything ma.
The best son ma.
I mean say obi Makachiro said I know they are still filing dollars. Was it bandoso?
It is a delay bebe mo na general secretary be issue statement to the candidate ni say bia you say no say Kamonsa can't register no album no 21 days before elections. Because of A, B, C, D, T, N, T, Coban, we may have to say, so we'll be able to Martin was because here's one of them normally have Shannon. So I am a general. I am just 50 cents. Was so I am general. Council. I am saying so because you couldn't see 56 more constituencies. But he has gone there. Now, 56 constituencies. See, I'm going to them. Yeah. Me mess, I mean, I'm going to say Adibi. Minimum coming out 4 mates of mine. No, even more crap. I have previous constituencies. So when you could name one, delegate be a number one. Sorry, for the moment there. Yeah. As not here. When you go to me as a son that day. Sir, assuming 56 constituencies. A big constituency be at 900 delegates. We are talking about 50,400 delegates. What's the constituency? So constituency be at 900. Oh, that be no sir. A big average. Oh, maybe average. Which is a fair analysis. It's a fair. 500, yeah, because we be. But at least we're talking about even 40,000 people. And you're telling me, sir, it doesn't matter. Now someone can't say that. Abante wona ne kasa number 3 wona abante kasa wo busa question who say how many 56 constituencies na ade na ni say nya 56 constituencies any president wo busa abante ne say yeah asade ne man na mo ben no motu yes was wo communicate and say mo atuna command the general secretary response the party emwa na ma yes but then let's say emwa na ma. But I can't almost best a 4 days. They are still campaigning, and I'm not here now. What was the campaign? Since the social media, I say I can't listen now. With a few consequences, they are campaigning in a vacuum. Because people know more Asian. You are not even sure. Say, me say, I'm going to dinner one dana and they putting it together. I don't know about anyway. Possible. I mean, voting centers. I'm going to dinner. And yeah, be beginning now, but I need another time because 2008 is this is a General Secretary 50 Atna say. I'm not a cost. Someone will say, I didn't delay. Oh, communicated to candidates now. I say, not the can't someone that okay. Ah, Messi, okay. And then he said, they are still campaigning. Menuka says, it's jam was enough. Yes. Minister says, so is whichever. But on off no more. I can do 1 point. I don't know where Dr. Dufo is now, dear. Maybe I could do some dear. But one mere second, so we can say we're in the campaign now on women. So that's it. Well, you cannot finish as at now, or you shouldn't finish by now. Close up. So that's it. There will be our own touch up beyond as a baby. We are always going to be. Sound is important. In 2020. NDC for raised this concern about electoral commission delayed in voter register. Delay in voter register. Say register no yenya enhuye the final register na ebe kwakọ to aba no exhibition ebe ye delay ni ade. Was it ene eto party? Was it ade ebe ye? Election ebe no. No, but we use word for was exhibition. Yeah. The National Electoral Register System no mo. You throw din wia. You sign in and never see. Yes. Before the elections was a me am throw me din. Yes. Me kokoshe say me din no. Me can say me the Alexander Twumberry man. Anu na ba ye. And ya ko to kosinsia akoshe me din mu ana ya nyem sa. Teacher ni me din e match. Bibia e collect me kokoshe. And no one kwa kan sem so wo. Omo so the electoral commission dey mom. Kan so o tena ma ka kire say NDC defiling 21 days. Modi releasing album. Defiling she. When defiling, I don't know what they say. Oh, what's when you be? Na be na my. And I'm telling you, sir. 4th May was below 21 days. Hey, Jadoyen. There be lawyer. Jadoyen, I'm them work. I don't say general elections, sir. Etika, and yes, I'm say NDC. Mr. Dr. Dufo. Yes. John Dramani Mahama. Yes. They are still on the campaign grounds campaigning. Baby on Bedrubia and one way about and branch executives and about a bit I'm no Macassa. Okay? And send us a sanitary can come here, say, Yeri Abo, they will get it. When?
Now when they are requesting for
are you failing to accept some general secretary?
Oh, guy.
I am mistake and he has failed.
He has not failed anything. Where are they? Why don't I have one year?
Me ban no trader. Your mama on NDC piece.
Was I walk as we never another American.
And you would be count.
Another American. I went.
We are near Badwam.
Go.
Ah, me do so.
I don't know when I didn't see. I say, by the way,
I was Muncha video into
video I went down today.
Muncha video into. Me
nada, one can say even the cabinet was a
so lawyer ni.
One can say cabinet was a MVP.
We are lawyer ni. Yeah, mete out such injustice.
I didn't know injustice.
How do you remember? My main chair tifo. Okay. Now, unim say a free John Tay of Anchor barrier.
Okay.
Kusi hono.
New interchange.
There be kusi amasama and someone ultra total na.
Yeah.
About 200-300 feet.
Meters.
No, yeah, 10 lanes. So,
yeah.
From
for Accra Kumasi.
Yeah, Accra Kumasi stretch. And to Usane, Achimota Bridge of Anquano Hona, few ABC and some total.
Yeah.
10 lanes. 5 lanes going, 5 lanes coming.
Okay.
Now, the attorney say, a hono sono, John Tayano Honano, Mintia Siene say, Ombe interchange. Now, what be Drew Pokwase, another interchange. And then we be Drew Amasamaya, or caught to total side or another interchange.
Yeah.
And son a final interchange. Sorry, Amasamaya, not total, toll booth side. And son we be Drew and someone total honors another interchange. And then we are on 9 overpasses. And Nipa betimi Afaso. And then 1 under bridge.
Okay.
My research I may me gusu I may no chere say nyame ya aduma somewhere August September next year.
Okay.
And on baby is akwan ni nyina. Okay. Unim say ha tro so ho ha tro.
Yeah.
Yeah no double lane and also nyame adum economy.
From my say it started from you want Palace Mall. One from
Eba
Esi Hacho your friend says there's a restaurant there. My favorite restaurant is Edi.
And also nyame adum yeah. And nyame adum sofa poku no sunya Swami interchange. Once a bank could try sold more about 5 months ago. The Koba and say Bosia na ya gia ya de be ye kwan no. Enu mu na IMF nsensem bae.
Okay.
Nti banka na omo de Bosia ne maye no ka say so be release scanner just ne IMF. Ewie nkita hodie no.
Okay.
Nam say enya maaye nti na aban so pese o ye say adwuma nti de aban aye ne say wo hwa nansen aban parliament quick loan bi honiema
6 or 7
de tie ne say agreement abasi ebetimi ayi sa sika ne bi kakra.
Okay.
Ye twen the original Bosnia na ankasa no.
Okay.
Ye be 75 million from sa sika we mu de akostate.
Okay.
Swami interchange. Okay. So 75
million from the 750 million.
Yeah, 750 million. They are constate Swami interchange. Okay. Swami interchange, in 2 phases. Roads now, the enclave now, that area and we have 41 million pounds.
Okay.
And sana 175 million na they interchange na ankasa. Into ye 75 they are constate. Hoping say nyame me adoma 75 in deplete no na yani IMF we ama Bosnia the original loan no ayeden aba be bodwa na yetimi de atoa so.
Okay.
Nti eno ye some update kakra menim say here tiefo a ese ye de ma samam de ne de menim say here kwan na say.
Yeah.
Enye kra ti na ban gusu gidigidi wa hu so a
yeah about 10 mini bridges ewo kwan nim so wafa kwan no 10 mini bridges ewo kwan no tie kwan as yetimi wi a ebesesa Ghana through that area no
what you go
now yemra ensem mo dream anopay because ade a lawyer aye wa ha no ensem fata ade obi a sabio wo ye mranim ni wo de wadwuma ne se atentene ni ebeye adwuma wo be bia wo na no pay wadware sisi ho kama brante kwa wabetena radio so ni I mean TV afidi kase so nye afidi ketwa bia te se ayi Adom TV betena so defend ade ni kwan so defend with integrity na we put no on the line
kasa we na do we amebom
I mean why mo yemra se ansa na ye beto aba no 21 days ese mo de album no kire obia o person contest enya sa na mra nete o hwe Dr. Dufo nkrata wode abebodwa o se omukọ ye no ene mpanyimfo ko hia ye no 220 constituencies
any religion
and am release mom meaning said 55 constituencies mo antimi anfa mo
am go 56 ko mo ye 276 constituencies
mo ye 276
o sa account
okay sure now I understand your 56 because now initially na menye sure so mo the sa account fine which is a very good decision it's a smart decision my bomb abaso because they anticipating say a barber county they are planning for you know Fred Abonyo ye chiano enti 56 constituencies osi eni ho enye ready akatse 3 days near Kotoaba so 4 days 56 constituencies enye ready 220 nso aye ready nso a inaccuracies ewom esaye incomplete na wo betena Adom TV now defend this idea. Meanwhile, once we are part of NDC legal team, muna mo advice here say don't ketia so onko court. Ni esisimu. Mo members. Eko jina street so she ties. Si esisimu. Fi se asisie de eden ya muko court muko du ye konum tea we biscuit ni ade kan ho
biscuit no se nka na biscuit nka
na nka ho okay ni nyina
no me no dini mo you know you guys are just fun what are you guys are just fun me nyamuto
no I said so big can I say
man mo flo na me we are just mo me no so
David
mo ko just mo me so
but
you wanna cry for man
na dia na me kan nya no
na me say me nka mi na me tisi bi ma wa mam wo da ka wo na ko na ba dia me ba so
enti utimi be gina aha be ka kire ye say dia si ni nya hwe
mese ebeba wo
ebeba asabe na wo kan no
mese ebeba
wo na ayi wo lawyer wo ti ayi wo lawyer wo ti ayi ji mensa be ka kire say 5 days to national elections wo busa na say onfa the complete emra say no ka kire say beba so wo be ji sasem na to
ye ko wani mo
ade ye wa enye wo da ne mfa nye wo nua stati so musisi Dr. Adofo nye ne oh yes
sisi no de ho
mu Kotoaba unim say lose election puto no Ghana for rejected John Dramani Mahama 2016
okay
yeah rejecting no
okay
and bitterness she cast me friend a bro ebe she yaudie na bro omo de na no ya ntie bro
asa yaudie no
yeah and ebe she omo
ebe se wan mu
and omo decide say omo ntie ase de ntie John Mahama lusuye enti kia ne ke John Mahama na no mo sade ne beba adon kai
okay
ema abusua ne kra ba abonti be ka say omo nua no omo papa no omodoba no kontena se wonkai
enye no kre
oh there were some family members who came out
okay on salad enye
no kre na busia bia me kan hwe da enye no kre you might have heard some speculations and metiases of the cancer but enye no kre okay in time for one abusia bia me kan hwe
okay yes lawyer
enipa bi kire o madwen se nkapanyin no entena se
kanasa
ena o ka so obadwene ho
okay
ena mudi ade hye papa yi kon hye ne kon nam se mubenya bibia dinti
hey
what ya ka
oh mami kasa why
me mane ngasa
why
kwazinzia everybody nyanko
se mubenya bibia dinti nkofo bi position mubenya yes na say John Mahama is the richest person in NDC now
why na yen say
oh
the lawyer
why na certify as the richest person why na yen say
lawyer
you busa kwasi ni tell and I want yen say
nyabotre
what
obi okon fa so assessment of who is a rich man it really nyabotre
ona fa
kwasi ya wo kan be and was John Mahama as the richest person
okay
but that's coffee
okay and John Mahama nya rich o kan Professor Frimpong Boateng report na o say MDC for na illegal galamsey the most and o mo so ko ye o report him oh have you read the report Mami Nkasa
position report what kan you say no kan no
yes
lawyer
yes I can read it to you
lawyer nyabotre
yo quite
Kofi
ana also mo na mo ye galamsey the most entie bia na say do sir President Mahama kwagigi free mo members wa mo ye galamsey
assumption
say ma nyigi
can you imagine
o nyigi wa
party mo jibi
wa who sir President Mahama call launch dues collection
can they say any of
Akufo do slap 5 cents
so on lawyer
what are you talking about
lawyer nyapte
who papa we na me ka say John Mahama funding the campaign
deputy nyabotre be ma abram wabam why we dey no tin nyina down
me ka say John Mahama funding the campaign I say there be
me nyini say
members
use the right words
what's the right word contribution
galamsey for
go donation mate
donation
enti omo ye omadwen say nya de a papa no omo betena ho ama obi a contest no ti from day one and omo decided say they will impose John Mahama on the people in the NDC.
Penny wo hu.
Enya de me hu. Ada wonti ha na enkofo ka presenting candidate. Anya omo na enkofo as abro for the buy. What be that? Wonti Ghana what be a friend presenting candidate.
Obi kasa
sesen.
Obi kasa.
National executives but now afidie so eye presenting candidate ebi ko asebu me ekobo omu nyina wonte se akobo
obi enkomi enkobo no obi enkomi enkobo wasi amanko to po nyaduma dade ye
lawyer
when the asebu
nyako yami ko ho a to kwa ko si oh no mama
yanko lawyer nyabotre oh
what you even cause when na won correct
so we target bebre so afema also want to be putting it all together omo fluent mo no so for be be sure you be correct you want be
is it not the case or no lawyer betna studio ha see asuma ne so make kasama NDC no is it not the case or the be John Mahama politics is it not the case say Sami Jemfi is it not the case national executives nyina John Mahama politics
national executives ni
national executive catch me national executive ben ana waben abontin abeka so support John Mahama what are we talking about why are we pretending
I say don't catch and declare support for
I say don't catch here how can the men ko na machinations no na
we declare that ben
machinations no na mafia work no na who what na catch me say fifi kweta failing
Dr. Anna Louisa Bisiu and declare support
omo ye den omo ye hwan mo omo support hwan
national youth
you have admitted
say support and declare support
hwan Opariado
we declare that ben
Opariado de mo dia ye Opariado wo party we mu
we declare that ben obodi ni kira
de mo dia ye Opariado wo party we mu na abeka don't even go there de mo de ye ayi papa ya mapa mo na free party mu ayi ofosu ampofu
ya pamo for example every party
that's about to about
how can you be say this now brother is na na go find that's na bad ideas of together oh go find na bad and no me no share this nothing I'm not just a barefoot. We are very fine yesterday. I'm not over him on a bike.
Make us some super. Go behind.
But to you, the almost say Dr. Kwabedi.
Oh yes. Okay. And you mean to me, okay. Ghana need be your objective be so almost see. Ono professor now, doctor. Yeah. Almost see. Share contributions a papaya ye. And say on starting project be no more friends and cry. Is it a project? Papa starting and Kofunya menasepo.
Yeah, over $1 million.
Yes.
You know the shame.
The shame spend day any idea. Oh, enti ni nyina and so money. Ni nyina and so money
dollars now come random.
I would have me nya some make a compensation make a meeting.
Ogo so hebe game Adom TV so. Menje we ever see the betra ekwo so.
Papa na ntrongo na wudi trust.
Pese mu enie lawyer Chimberima and 1 minute na yenko fa ene mahama peace ne nyina
akwase asumdwe ndie unu se
asumdwe elho
eno bi
ba menim watch video bi mu raise concern about the way na inusafus the video how they
I say wudi ntro na ne bro so asa edi gwa na benya bwa na oboti
me intro me no
ana ye dey
say they say na ne dimina
bimina ben
o the pa director me video
na eyemi
ye mo tape ni bia ye fa video no to so na obi a onya hwe
obi a hwe
because most campaign na call the man Haruna Edusu but Louis Asif say na onye receptive
to na on no ye campaign Haruna Edusu
o so say omo free one Haruna Edusu
na campaign wan ka so ye
so omo free one Haruna Edusu na
the political party is a generational line party be mu the MPP the NDC whatever a generational line
yes
what does some time ago you be na ye ni politics mu now you are joining every big ba wo mo no they are going to fade off
but who draw that political lineage. Is there John Mahama?
I mean, he was just prompting them that a line. I mean, I was a contractor when they ministers, and have you ever seen them become ministers again? Kwambe Pranum, they are no more. A time came for John Mahama and they ministers.
Okay.
What I say, and then they have become presidents now.
Okay.
A time will come, they will not be there. You get other group of people coming up.
Okay.
I don't know what you want to do. Okay. So the movie make now can tell say maybe John Mahama me pe we asem them po biasem because this one yeah ko every ba enya me John bi e be ba fro you see you need to understand life from that concept.
Okay.
Akwasi what we are seeing any abrabo asesa woman mo bi ha wadwen Bible say emra ne na Onyankopon sam.
Yes.
Bibia so ye emra bibia besie.
The race is not to the swift.
Me see ye emra bibia besi akwasi sabra no so a ade nipa betima yan say the nipa betima tua ne mom bi ama bia a delay but nipa ntime zanada tenie except won bia won to konkurance.
Okay.
Nipa betima tua ne mom ma bia wade bia e ba no atwa sensen akatire e maaye
but on
nem mom so be sensen ma ne ma de entimi si so obi bia hyebra da nanim se wonu so obedi mampani wonu so obedi de ben ya e betima delay akofo ado start looking for presidency 95 96
yes
and 2017 no and obenya bedi so it's time. It's time. Ebra no so baba. Asumdwe no munya sanhwe. Ye ti o mamu e Bible say am pre o man ya wo mu asumdwe.
E no aka say mudru ba bia mo mama asumdwe enka ho.
Thank you. That is what we need because asumdwe ni a wo no me no tim sori metra ha.
Okay.
So it's key. It's paramount. Because I mean so said okay was say mo e send the audios voice notes go about two platforms so share e kan say me wo mu die ni mu nyina e be tram grofo no. Wan wonya no. O ma me wo na so ada.
O partner was saying.
What is it? O partner was saying and no asem no ka chiro and it's true. Who would say that he or she doesn't know this?
Maybe because sir.
Now the video now went I was just noting on one some kind of video.
Okay. But say the one person so what party me man 4 years.
Because I don't listen to those things because me send money me somebody I don't waste my time on these things. What me somebody just send money because hwe mama kan chiro. You so would this say say media me botaya na say ade no se anya twum na koye event say
Kofi tonton
Kofi de ene na koye me fa send ene me say no wo say wankasa wo because anytime you can get say Yakopon chise mu you can only delay it but you can't stop it you can't change it baba for how long will you delay
ebe kogo de enkogo na foni be na ba party no
baby ni pa twese de wo mo matimi dia akobi ha baby ba obia
ebe kogo de enkogo na
say baby matimi dia akobi ha baby bi wo
at the party for the be adwam hama sa
obi anya adwam hama No, because I'm just using his own words.
Oh, okay.
One because you but what say? Some young nominee can some young customer just you ba. Or no be in the campaign. If you are not trying upon it, I have national benefit. If you are not the next one, now you for and when the matana boni pe am so one na one more contest you be one bomb with them so called with region what they can. You know no I think about 3 or so. And each one will go to the same group of people to talk to them. But who kwa enkwasa count there.
Okay.
Me akwasi semba be to iPhone 14 Pro Max handle achema mu nyina me so mba we so mark what can you make me ayo.
Okay.
Enko kan dey nim. What can you pan transia no to say no hwemu no hu say okay. Dey akwasi sia kan me ne adwen eche dey twum kan ya obeto ma. Simple. But the ngum dafo no ga enkwasai no na no adwen say wo ade na wo say no wo sample the same thing you won't get it.
By politics dey timisi o.
Oh. Unya. He? Kwasi sa what politics as ya ho ani me see politics no. Yen say will be because it will definitely come back to you.
Sure.
It will definitely come back to you.
Okay.
But you need to be brain penfum wo mem na. Say bita first na mom bi o mutu ye bi nti. Aka ba bi ese ko mu do ma twa ndu. So you need to be careful in life and what you do and what you don't do. It's very important. It work say one year penny or dan wo pretty so that bi o ba di partner nim akopret media ma partner in 2024 2025. Okay? Say be ko ye sa we so di kan pre partner so ndwie. And the party in Cancro. If it's a party as on Vienna, what you mean that? Take note. Party in Munuya, no party as on Vienna, you can lead, I mean, a disorganized institution.
But and you been more creative about delay in the album because and the Benjamin Sama Obi, I quite be a can asemua, a be an owen yanchi mu ye, no can send ye or feeling never.
I will never support the fact that my nipa mi ensano.
Okay.
Kodobonsu.
Okay.
So number 1 member.
Maybe your mama.
No, I think okay.
Your mama number 1.
Yeah.
Kodobonsu number 2.
And then
before
as number 3.
Asio.
Say nipa mi ensam we nyina. Whichever. And this will move biara or woman no. Me try and say ade asese mo de ma ono, mama fa mo mu bia.
Okay.
Give it to them. Because there's a reason when I was say what is that name.
Yeah.
So give it to them. And kasa on fe but say the media me no because nobody will say so on fad nim mobi. I know say there have been some delays and the delays no it's not make me blame national for no be because woman free asia one ever so that's in the asian delay automatically assurance by day e be delay so on me no
okay
so some of the issues need be seen in say I mean person ma say boapayo anonymous one maker because me hu nti ahwe because when me say listen na was national approve ma various presidential candidates no.
Yeah.
The same lesson now you approve the nipa parliamentary so.
Okay.
So what it means in say madam fi am tena abon din wo me mensa na contesting. Say nipa na yakotoma wono one nim krofo mensa na wo ma na yakotoma JM so ne nipa mensa.
Okay.
So say we obi free mu a that person maybe somebody who may be voting for me mate eye osanya akun.
Okay.
So that's it.
So by affecting
exactly. So nobody will be taken out.
Okay.
Yes, I would tell you. Name woman never said, a back said yes, of course.
Okay.
A brand swimming in Daniel Yadamua. Make sure say what would you be?
Okay.
My agent, what in home? Because my mamma go to the Taparina was about to abandon you anyway. Police station, one more. My baby, I got to be my agent in Quatron.
Okay.
One man got now or Channel Baba Academy said, but your Coto and Jacob off. Now, what number microphone was assigning 1 hour microphone?
Okay.
The party is not distributing agents.
Okay.
Who are contesting and that's how agents don't contact police station among what you vote.
But I say
so they make sure they will do that.
Very member of the NDC National Communications Team. Akwasi, good morning. Kofi Tonto is now talking about integrity. Wonders shall never end. This same Kofi Tonto is a follower of Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia. That is known to be untruthful. Hamza Jr. and the way about.
Say, officer, say, who qualify justice and fairness, but what
so can't Chumberima allow Kofi Tonto? So can't Chumberima allow Kofi Tonto to finish his presentation, and after that he can ask him questions or counter what he's saying? He's making the whole program boring. Alex Tufor, Edway Free, Hamburg, Germany. And the free ebai. Akwasi, good morning. You see what I used to say? You allow Kofi to say anything anyhow without correction, without questions. You just allow him to throw in anything anyhow. You, these same people, allow them to come and mislead Ghanaians that there was no employment from 2012 to 2016. You guys are doing a great disservice to Ghanaians. Amzi, and so, I don't know. NDC in their own internal elections has serious issues on their voter register, which comprise the credibility of the elections. How much more would they do in 2024? Ajiwudin Nana Kofi Chumo, and so, I don't know. Ghana needs a new leader who can transform our economy into industrialization, creation of more job opportunities and better economic policies, and the only person who is capable and competent to execute this task is Chief John Allan Kojo Chidamate, Eric Kwaku Bodi, and so Eddie Eno. Kofi?
Yeah. Medasi.
Topics na ma enye ba ko
Nti say wo de we mbeso so na ka be 5 ne fanko
Mebacho meman kase
okay opeso we win
ye be pontam
aka 5 minutes
aka na ya ne pon
send ma me hwie na wa kasa me kasa fe na wo be chire time depends on the topic you could have Kofi I dey na person kan bi
ko like say peace ni wa say na so be kan bi na peace no mo so be
peace na me and dey na wo person kan
Kofi yanko
hwe minia asumdwe ya de a eye pa na se woni ni party fee what na kuma se fee da
oh yeah
ye nyina kuma se fo e mean say ye nyina kuma se fo
ti ni pa na oni
mete sunshine
oni ni tifi oba ene omane ne mabedidi abom kama wie ya wa fo achi no akodi hu konkonsa no akowo pin ade achi a no asa he ama ena until that
okay
enu bi na John Mahama yi ote ho ena asi edun ketia ene fifi kwete twiro letter koma Haruna Idrisu ene muntaka si apam mebwa ede asem na mbeka omo se omo take decision no kra yan consult wo ana mebwa
yeah
wona wo ye presumptive leader sabe we nya badaye se wo be frem rantie John Mahama ntimi nka nkyere Ghana fo se no onim se ye be pamo Haruna Idrisu ene muntaka wo ye hwe han ama mpanyifo we di nsemoni ni wieye
national chairman
oh what are you talking about what are you talking about nya na mo friend presumptive leader na sabi wonya national chairman kwa na why na ye panyi wa NDC mu chen Mahama
council of elders
me say why na ye panyi chen wo party mu ene he's the leader of the party you can talk about technicalities and all of that so when timi nkan kyere me say no oni say ye be take that decision
okay
I advise you see dun ketia pata pasem na fifi kote pata pasem a omo ye de pam omo couldn't even as a leader correct an erroneous act e gum mrantie animu as a poto
Kofi na ko betimi eden
you omo odie say yemfa ne say omo nkompa
okay
wo be advise you see dun ketia say da bi montro let enkomo omo sa these are leaders of our parliament mo frɛ omo ne omo ntena sinkasa
okay
en kyerɛ omo die nti a mo free say ese mo take a decision mo wia mo frɛ all parliamentarians ne omo nkasa en kyerɛ omo say this is the reason why I taking a decision o wia fi say suhini e be ka kyerɛ say mo ntena ayi party adabraka enye ju ayi parliament na mo be ye party adwuma refi why na ye panyin e wo fie ho adabraka ho why na ye panyin wo John Dramani Mahama is the leader of the party.
This is the national chairman.
Me say technicalities no.
Okay.
Ono create ono constitution. No the cassette. We the man
nkasa.
Technical aspect.
Technical aspect. But
me say and
John Dramani Mahama be elected.
And dia na be koso. And dia na be koso e wo NDC mu a John Dramani Mahama e na enfa no so. And dia na be koso wo NDC mu. Oh.
Okay, mo ntaka letter no.
Please, I don't know my main
lawyer.
I don't know my main kasa.
You see,
now we are penny, and ye gu Haruna Idrisu and Nimasi.
You will not comment.
My child didn't take good and Nimasi. Parliamentarians are Mekasa, dear party leadership here wrong. Or my mekan.
Yeah.
We are and no marco kone. We didn't some money we are. No be jina simpie so.
ayo hu saint ayo hu say tinini and until na Haruna Idris say I am not going to accept this hypocrisy.
Okay,
reaction.
Reaction
no.
Okay.
Reaction no.
Shumberima is disgracing himself by defending the indefensible on Dr. Dufour issue because NDC always attack Electoral Commission on issues like this. But no matter what, Dr. Digitalization Maumbu Baumia, NPP best bet for 2024 will win the NPP flag bearership race to be president in 2025. Regards to Dr. Derek Kwaku Nkansa. OPK, Patriotic Voice, Edward Frigoso, and all day. Everybody was say. Eddie Eshia. Naseka Sekuma lawyer Chumbarema, member of the NDC National Communications Team. Kofi to a government spokesperson. Waba Kofi Ampadu, Dominic Isi Yabua, Daniel, Thema, Sound Like Camera, MC Adamu, you know, so what's on the pa? Ebesa Eshia, background.